Tibi, you know, so me not trust you though.
What do you mean you not trust me, B?
No, me not trust you, 'cause you look like you have some other woman, you know.
Me not with up here, so it's so hot, B, and what you mean about me have some other woman? What you talk
You look
about?
like you have some other woman, but me can't understand for one day where you're going, so.
B, you know you alone me have. Who else me fi have?
You sure?
So 100%.
You sure, baby?
B, come on, no, B, if me did a give a bun or if me did have a other woman, you wanna find out by now.
Baby, you know, so me love you though.
So me not love you.
Sometimes I think you don't love me.
Me love you, B. God no.
So wait there.
Oh, no, me I tell you so me love you.
So where you look on her so far?
Me I look if me know her, B.
If you know her?
She look familiar.
No,
you know?
this no look right.
She look familiar, you know.
Look here, pay attention to me talking to you.
Yeah, say B.
So, why you behave like this from what day?
How me I behave?
You behave as if you see somebody out there better than me.
No, B, you want me say, you want me I catch. Look how long me I link, B.
Tibi,
No.
look at all of this.
No, dear B.
So, me can't understand why you keep on a look down the road. What down the road for you?
Sorry. Come on, we go up, B. No, like
Come on, 'cause you know say me love you. We are going so.
Sis.
Hey,
What's up?
look on the lovebird, them a come. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Blessings. You alright, my sister-in-law?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, me love to see that. Wanna look cutie?
Yes, sis, thanks.
So everything good?
Yeah, so far.
Good. Good.
That's a come from off of the road and thing. You can't go eat something, man.
Yeah, sis.
Enjoy myself.
Ah, big dates. Big dates.
Sis, you're not easy, no, sis.
I shop me I go. You don't want nothing from the shop?
No, so you want to?
No, baby, I'm okay.
Alright, we're good.
Alright. So we just want us everything alright, no problems or nothing.
Wait, hold on. Give me a second, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know, say, me and him a come from off of the road. And him see this girl a go down the road in a green frock. And him not stop look. Every minute him look.
Sis,
So me I wonder say who I could have help me. Look like him a cheat on me, you know.
Sis, you know me as him the person there? Sis, me know you don't know me as him the person there, sis.
Baby, me done talk to you already, you know. You have a good woman. A bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. We are do looking next woman.
Yeah, no, me not do them or something, sis. Me just look if me know her because she look familiar.
Trust your instincts here, but don't be too paranoid. Because you see, when woman too paranoid, that's what push man to it too. And you, me done talk to you already.
Alright, sis.
A bird in the hand is better than what? Two in the bush. Don't ram.
Alright, sis.
You hear that?
No more
I want to see you look on no more woman today.
Me not hold that man, promise you, sure.
Especially when you know so she not like it. Whether innocent or not, you know so she not like it.
Make sure.
Alright.
Sure, where I go, sis?
Me I go run go shop before them lock.
Alright.
Me don't want to go to the far one. So me soon come. Go cool off, man. Get
Okay,
right
then.
in. Alright. Me soon come.
Sis, no guys, me see you. Yeah, come out son car. Me no who up your man. Listen now. Where you come from? No, but yeah, where else I come from? Where you come from? Remember me telling me I go down the road this morning. Well, you tell somebody that in a day sleep. I remember. Either way, yes, now. Maybe ask you something. Where you do this so? Where you go for road? Go to cars. Me wake up and me never see you. And me did I wonder where you gone. What happened now? Me have story to tell you. Speak. Me have, you know, so me have one crush panty me do. Mm-hmm. Want to be up there, sir? Yes. We live in with woman? Mm-hmm. Oh. Well, guess what? I don't think that's a good idea. You see a woman take her fat? You see if that woman that sit on par you? No girl can. You can't say that. If that, no girl that's the way you say now. You see all them, if you man grab them son now, what you go do? You know have no escape. Me think if we go back in a yard, you know, me think of that day for the cause all in never know you feel your bull buck or the pekakara. Any day them there that woman they hang on par you, sit on par you, but even know what you go say. I don't think that's a good idea. Go find one for yourself. Go find one for yourself. It better you take people man and have him for get him for yourself than for him have one for yourself and make somebody else take him for you. But go up to your favorite picture. Look here. Let me ask you something now. If you go up this one take people, man, and you can't take him from the woman, you first ever get him once, no one next somebody can't take him from you. No. Squid. Go on up this one, squid. Squid, go on there, I go. Squid, go wash up and take me. I go. I don't know what to talk about people, man. Oh.
Lord of God, me glad to see you. I'm glad I see you. Hey, where you come, Motamasi? Come here, some man. Come here, so come and know what I want.
And news you come bring again.
No, this time a good news. You see your brother where you have down there? Mm-hmm. I want wicked, you know. The boy having good old woman a yard. And I look at that woman have, at that woman up so, woman run so. What kind of brother that you have? He won't even left none for me. He just a take.
So my brother, you take name out of street. You carry my brother name out of street. You know nothing better for do.
So you don't believe me?
You know nothing better for do.
No brother, they give woman bun.
You chat more than woman, man. You chat more than wash a woman.
No,
you go wash your morning. You go wash your clothes like wash a woman.
No, let me tell you something. Me might come like a washer woman, but me know what me I say. Your brother look like he don't want nobody. He don't know who he want. Everybody in just a run down so. You can't have good woman in your yard and I take up other woman out there. What about me? Me no want something too.
Papa, let me make 2, I make 4, let me tell you this. You see, me and my family keep with name out of your dirty mouth.
Listen me.
Me no want to chat my brother. Me no want to chat me. And me no want to chat my family. Me not even want to chat my sister-in-law. Here, keep with name out of your dirty mouth.
I respect her, a good woman. Enough time I try to look her, you know. And
see there?
She
you know, like see that people have anything. True, she know good man. True, you see her with my brother.
So you say your brother
jealous and bad mind, Tibi.
So you feel say your brother a good woman?
No, me not feel say my brother a good man. Take that out of your mind. Nobody call my brother no chichi or
alright, you feel say I'm a good man? No.
All of my family good.
You might good in one thing,
we
but...
are good as family. Oh.
Yeah, man, call him good as. A good as. Which woman could have called me good as? Eh? Me say, if you don't talk to your brother and put on your foot, you go and lose that good woman.
What, to you?
No, me try already. Me try look at her and she deny me.
I saw make you carry him name.
She tell me say she done there with TB. And me say, are you really there with TB? And me couldn't explain me the bad mind would tell her why she not there with TB, you know. Me just love it and me say, alright, mama, stay with your man. Me only say in my mind say, I only hope when I get hurt, you don't come on my side because that's when my door I go lock.
And at that time, she was ultra desperate for come to you.
You know,
she that lower them.
Me feel like say you do the same thing to you know. I like brother like sister, you know.
Hey, me tell you say take my name out of your mouth.
Alright.
You have to my reputation in this stuff.
Where your friend or your going so?
Because people, police will come at your yard for people I wanna know why, you know. Why you love chat so?
Alright, sorry.
Go river, go wash, man. You wasn't a river woman. I wash a woman.
Alright.
If you stop it, man, and take me and my family name out of your mouth.
Remember,
me hear it one more time, you know, it now got pretty.
Alright. Can't say my name tell you though.
But you never tell me nothing, man. Go about your business. Sure.
Who can hear will feel. All right. Oh boy. What's your slimmers? Wagwan.
Wagwan.
How are you? You don't need company. How are you, Musa?
No, sir, me no want no company.
Hmm?
Me no want no company.
Why you don't want no company? You move so fast.
What you say?
Well, you just walk fast. So you know, see me.
When me I say if I want somebody me have iPad round the cut ya.
Who? You,
Timmy.
Tibi.
Mm-hmm.
Tibi, you have IFA?
Yes.
People, man.
Mm-hmm.
You not no shame.
How we mean I no shame?
You cannot have eyes from people, man. You have to look a man with single.
No, me no want no single man. That Timmy me want.
So what on it? You don't want nothing in your life?
Timmy have everything can give me.
Oh, so you see it? Listen me. Let me teach you something. Call you young. You don't understand. Yes, when you see a man in a relationship, you allow that alone. He come with stress, he come with problem.
Make it be my
You
stress.
see a stick where you like?
Make it be my stress. That's not your problem.
You take your time, go on.
You go along.
Come on, no, what TV for you?
You no worry about that.
Backside.
So, you sure saying that? Give me a bun?
Do you have time from here, but I alone the eye sketch?
Babes, remember, you know, me I go down the road the other day, you know.
Sis, you come back first.
Sis.
You miss the shot, man. You miss the shot. And you know why? The thing grieve me, man. You know Popeye? Mountain Massey Popeye.
Yeah. How happened, sis?
Me see the crosses, you know. Me I go to the shop and me see the crosses on the road. And I feel your name in my call.
My name.
I have to cuss him out.
So what?
Make me miss the shop, man. Sure.
What
Me
you
not hired for him front here because me know some foolishness. He might chat fart and I tell me, say, him see you down the road with next woman. Nobody get excited as to this man tan. Him see you down the road with next woman and if I talk to you, can you give Browning bun?
Me?
Me have to cuss it, deal with him, you know? And I want to bring me in a conversation too. Me nearly...
Go. Imagine how you deal with him now, sis. So you shouldn't call me.
Call you for me know how your head hurts.
Oh.
Me deal with him, brother. You deal with him.
You can't met him because like him would have want to try to mash up my relationship with my woman. And that can't happen.
I saw him do. And I come chat fart to me.
I look come love Tibi.
Yeah.
If him want nothing come between me and him, I know woman come between me and him.
Aye.
Me love Tibi, you know, sis.
That me see.
Cause me no want no woman come between it to we, no. Can tell me saying that me no woman come between it to we. I'ma believe him.
Exactly. A son of a live, man. Foolishness come make me miss the shop now and spoil up my plan. Sure.
Sis, no worry, man. I just that everybody are going to try to mash up my relationship. And you know, I'm going to work, you know.
He might tell me fart with about your woman too.
Hey, what you know about my woman?
He might tell me, say, he might admit to me where the source of the everything I come from, you know. Can him tell me, say, him did I look you?
Oh, remember that little ugly boy when me I go up the road, you know, sis. Stop me up the road. I come tell me about how him like up the chang body and thing and how me sexy and me cock up and sitting. Remember the boy where you talk about?
Him same one. In carry news. Police will come for you, you don't know why. Say
I'm out.
So
I say stop me up the road, me go shop. I ask me say where my Monday. So me say where you want to know my Monday. Him like half the whole away my see. So me say, hey. Me say look here, me love Tibi and me no want no more man.
Same so.
I'm alone, me want.
You have a good one. And that me love. And him can't manage you.
So I hit about him now. Make him turn there.
See, black people have nothing here. When black people, they are crab in a bucket. As you rise up, they want to pull you down.
All crosses contact me up the road. Me know him. Me know nothing about him. Make him go on, yeah. Me love my TB. Me not let him for nothing.
Me have to go see that the man there and put a stop into it. So you did that look for real, be? I joke here, me.
Yes, me see him up the road in a one felt hat. I want like a piece of shots. I want big old. See, panning foot.
Sister, where you laugh for, sis?
Yeah, and the same thing. I didn't realize he look like Poppy Show, you know. I must say that make everybody call him Papa. He look like Poppy Show.
Then that.
Sis, you're not easy, you know, sis.
I go try to turn my hand behind the net fashion because the big dinner me did plan. Crosses come at me.
Come my shield. I love your head to be.
I love it to be.
Yeah.
But just I wonder which part you're there, you know? Wait, I wonder what me the fuck I'm in the last. You no cook.
What?
You no cook. You no hand. Me can't cook no dinner right now. Me tired. And just I come off a road.
Me worse, me tired.
So why you sit down out here? You don't know. Missy one man down the road. Who look like he drunk come and look me. Me tell him say me no want him.
So why you never take him? Why you never want him?
That him me want. Me no want that the man them look like he drunk.
But who you talk? Tibi, why you?
Of course.
What you mean, of course? You know Tibi?
Of course.
Fear was tough, no, boy, you know Tibi. Go look a man for yourself. That if you go do allow people, man.
A Timmy me want.
Tibi name, Tibi, not Timmy. All this year, I can't give me the name where you want. Don't
a
really
Timmy
care.
me want.
Well, you go and go want your Tibi. Don't really business. I'm going to tell you, say, you say, any day and the other lady, they sit down by you. Yeah, I don't know you. You don't know me.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you go talk?
What?
Are you go talk?
Me I go talk what? Eh?
Are
What
you
me
go
go
talk?
Oh, okay.
Me I go talk tell me business, you know, can look like you go talk.
Me dear, me no want hear your business none tall. Cause me no want get involved. If anybody come there say, oh, so you too, you didn't know you this and you that. Me,
Go
you
cook a little food.
Me not cooking nothing, go eat something.
Mrs. Go and go cook a little food.
You sit down and wait.
Oi, it's hot in the man. Come, sister, come breeze off. You're too hot in the house. Oi.
I chew, you know, in the heart.
Time hot for real, you know.
Oi.
Time hot.
Hey, what's hotter now?
That's sweet, sister.
On the hot.
Why you say that? Sister, why you did that chat about?
Holy for things.
Like, how no, like, oh, she laugh, so what's sweetheart?
You know, so me always laugh. Not true, sis.
Yeah, all the parties with their talk, boy. You stay there.
I don't like how she laugh. Like.
Why?
Sis, you sure say something?
You not trust me, brother?
Of course.
Alright.
So, 2 times I don't want something to drink. I don't want something to drink.
You gonna make me a drink?
Yeah, I buy 3 jokes each out.
How will you do to
Mama
him?
Malta.
What do you want?
Me want a Magnum.
Magnum.
You say you gonna buy 3 drink?
What the hell? I don't know if you quench your thirst. You look something for junk.
Well, it's a drink.
Alright. Now go find your go buy them and come back.
Rock. And I know you know.
Go buy this one. Them and come back.
So how we alone just want to go on the road, so?
You know, the sun hot, and me no want, you call your ground and me no want sun burn up your body.
Me no business, Tibi. Me go through fire with you, me no care.
No, me no want to come through with me. Me no want no man to look for you, man. Just stay in the yard.
How comes?
Me no want to lose you, know.
Tibi, me want to come and shop with you.
Yeah, alright, let's say shop, me soon come back. Just sit down and reason with me. Where you want to leave my sister one night? Just reason your sister-in-law. I promise you, me soon.
At that, me and you just a talk about, you know. Him no carry me go nowhere. Everywhere him a go, him alone want go. Me no understand that.
You don't want to lose our sis. You know alien set.
So me make a suggestion.
Everywhere you alone want go. So why me can't come?
Soon come. Just sit down and be, please.
Tibi, me want come.
You relax and be.
Tibi, me a come and shop with you.
The sun hot.
Babes, me a come and shop with you.
Alright, look how me go somewhere. Me soon come.
Tibi, please, no.
Take her to the beach later. Make a deal and take her to the beach later.
You sure, Tibi?
Yeah.
Alright, baby. Later.
Wonderful.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too, me.
Love you, Tibby.
Love you, Lisa.
Make sure say nothing wrong you go do you know, Tibby.
Three juice me and come back.
So me can't come.
He just relax from you, man. Me so come back, man.
Tibby, we me love me have to watch you know, Tibby.
Me know me have to watch it to other side. Me don't want to come cause me don't want no man look for you. Cause me easy to jealous.
Make you go down here go look for no other else woman and you see when you come up here
Man
later.
living on this arena more than woman.
Just wait, Tibby, me a time you.
Alright, time. Set it up.
Me a look for my time right now.
Alright.
If you have a girl time, yeah, I'm making go on.
So you don't know say
What's up?
What happened to you now?
No happen. Me I got China and me I go buy
Me
some.
nah
Cause you
have
don't
no
feel like you
money.
want. Me
Me
didn't
nah
even
have
ask
no
you
money.
yet. Me still I go ask. I don't feel like you want to contribute to the goods them
Me
way
not
on
have
your
no
mouth.
money and me not working right now.
Yeah, so me access to no. You don't feel like if you go look work that you run down this boy Tibby every day.
Don't worry about that. Me soon go look work.
Well, feel good luck. Besides, me tell you something now. Just start,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
go up on the road.
Yeah, me there, not just me I got China, me I go buy goods cause you won't stop name them out
So buy
like a
something
fear.
for me.
Me don't got no money neither.
Matter of
So,
fact, me I go up on the road. Me buy
you
it
go up on the road?
myself. Mm-hmm.
oh, go on. Me I go lucky back door. Me they think you go there.
Alright, me I go up on the road. Me go up on the road.
Yes.
When you come back.
Me no want to see you.
When you come back, me give you money. How long me turn up away from you?
Jody, I'm tired of telling already. You can't text me as I feel like there's certain time of night and certain time of day where
Me
you're
no
supposed
business. Me text you anytime. Me
You
text
know so me
anytime,
living
I
with that
don't
woman.
care.
Why you dey text on my phone?
Because me want to see you.
But me tell her say if me not text you, don't text me.
So what happened? Me no look good.
Me never
Me
say
no nice.
me never say no look good
So
and
what
no nice.
happened?
But you know me living and I like say me single.
That not nothing to do with me. Me have my green card. You can't take me in. You can't run around and take me in anytime. Ready
That
for
a
calling
true.
me anytime.
You don't say that a true still cause my woman when me living, she not have nothing.
Okay.
I have
Me
green
can't
card.
cook, me can't wash, me can't clean, me can't do anything. So what
Yeah,
happened?
and my woman a yard. Nah, do them something there.
Mm.
But me confused cause me not really want. Me don't know how it
Then
gonna go, but me not really want to run out my
around
woman.
and take me in, run around and take me in. Me ready to live with you anytime.
I'm gonna think about it.
Watch out now. I see? Man, a good old man like me. We are work hard. See, I them a man here like, Man, a big old chin in a
So where you come here suffer now? Where you come here suffer now?
Like, you wanna know? Even with this man,
Where you come here suffer now?
Yeah, shut your mouth, you know. Cause you that the tickers there over this way, you know, and you come like you're greedy, you want to come take a slim one. And also you work. You have to left some for somebody. Woman shot in the lane and you still want sweet little well left ya.
I no shop you go away you go. Go and
know
down
where
your
tap
road
your
you
so,
go.
brother.
Where you tap your sofa?
And that's
I
why
don't
God
know
now
what
bless
you
you
go.
now, you know. You can't be unselfish. The scale no balance. You cannot balance the scale, so you can't have your tickers over there and take up a slim as the scale go so.
That no have nothing to do with
She
you.
not have no pound to keep up.
That no have nothing to
Don't
do
leave
with
it
you.
alone.
slim as me say, slim as me thing there.
Oh, slim as the thing there.
Yeah, slim
Slim as
as.
can cook.
Of course.
Of
And she have
course.
green card.
Of course.
Green card. You know, feel like you want to marry me so we can get it too.
Go on. I know down your road you go.
Where you see for them?
Everything.
Yo,
Look,
no,
For yourself.
Big respectable man. Have me money.
Go and go
Work
to
hard.
business, brother.
You see, I don't want your yard near go, you know.
Go do it.
I don't
When
have
you
your
chat him
yard near
out.
go. I have to
Ma
see
go
your
down your
sister.
yard with him chat him out, you know.
You
Mix
can't be
up.
chat him out.
Mix up.
You know say your sister better than you. You know say your sister know how to speak to me when you see me.
Because it not no sense.
Your sister speaks so intelligent when I tell everything she get 40 subject. Huh? Why you never grew up like your sister and love people man alone?
That not have nothing to do with you.
Jody,
That nah, nothing
tap
to
in
do
a
with
chatting
you.
with the man, no, Jody.
Are you involved with
We
it?
have other things to deal with it, no?
Are you involved with it?
But me no know when come so come stop your sofa.
Alright, no move. Stay right here, sir. No move. Don't move.
Yo, don't listen to him, man. You know, so like I want cokehead, man. But
Making galang.
right
Marry.
now, me have to think about if you put out more man and me head and cause you're slim, you know, and your shape good, you know, and thing, you know, so.
That you will do.
Anyway, still, me have to hurry up, go back home, because I know I me one done there.
Alright, text me.
So, me will text you. Remember, don't text me if me not text you. You hear
Me
me?
a time you if me no see you text me, I go text you.
What you want to do? Mash up my relationship?
I don't business. Kaka, how are you do over here, so?
Oh, make it no free for left yard again.
You go supermarket already?
Then I must go and come back. I go come back and reach back here, so you still never did it. Top hug me, I know you hug me. I don't got nothing to eat. I don't hand nothing.
So you know say I put me a come.
All the time you come and go on it anytime you want
So
something
no
to eat.
supermarket you just a come from me.
Guess what? Bleach me go buy. You want bleach to drink? Oh, but guess what? You have no look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 the part each. No missing. If you want to say you go look both and tap come bother me. You're 18 now.
Then you know you go just look both it.
No, me dear, you come on from my seat. You're bright. Move. Let me sit down back. And that's with you now. You're bright. Me not going over there. If you hungry, you look about something to eat. You don't come to me. You got a hand and you got feet
when me
and
look
everything.
I hope you don't want.
Me don't want none because you can't cook. Me don't want none.
Oh, boy, that's so.
Nothing I'm going.
How old is you?
Timmy, when me I tell you about.
Oh, are you a legendary Timmy? Oh,
One and only.
one and only. Oh, I want you to sit on par you. Where you seen a she? Eh? You can't
No
even
worry,
cook for see me like.
No worry
Greek cat.
about him.
Oh, you get
No worry
great cat
about
from.
Just cook and clean, green.
No worry
Yeah,
about
man, go
him.
on with him. You go on with him. You can't keep him, not send him back.
No
keep
worry
him.
about
You
him.
only thing when do one name me out, you keep him. You don't want him.
Do?
So go on then, why you still standing? Go on by your business,
Come
man.
on.
Come on, I'm in the green.
Bo green card. Ridiculous.
You know, so I never really you me did a walk done. Still a shop me did figure but I'm confused till me all like turn back. Me don't know what do me?
Come, we still a go a shop.
Now me I
A
buy
shop
you
me did
something
a
to
go.
come on.
You know, then sis, you know, so somebody can't tell me, say, after me I go a shop. Me stop and me see the same man. The same man, you know?
Wash a woman, man.
Yes. That little mix up.
Yes, sir.
But when in top,
Talk of the devil and the devil himself up here.
yes.
That job.
Strong,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, dear.
And your brother I'm see with the slimmers. See the slimmers me I tell you about.
You see me I tell you?
man.
So you
And
come
that you just
all the
come
way
tell
here,
me.
So, and 5 million to come spread news. Me never tell you to take me and my family name out to your mouth.
So you don't believe? He was at his good old woman and a day with the
You
slimmers.
come mess up my meds, you know. You know, so see me and my family there at chat and a reason I'm a hold
Me
the
no business
meds.
about that. A good woman this. I'm not like nobody hurt a good
No
woman.
stand too close to my sister, man. Your crosses. No stand too close to her.
Your man had your bun with the slimmers. But
Me tell you already, me see up the road and me tell you some me no want hear nothing about my man.
the girl has a green card.
Papa, me no want hear nothing about my man. Let me figure it out myself, my man nah give me bun.
Put out your backside. No come crawl to me, you know.
Ah, when him put me out pa my head, I feel last yard me a come, so nobody worry about it.
You sure?
Sure, 100%.
Follow, come on.
Me nah follow, when I follow you for?
Oh, you make me get up. And a foolishness you talk.
Follow. When you come with me.
Me go up. Sis, me go up there and so.
Foolishness.
Because I mix up, you see?
Me ready for beat him backside today.
I'ma tell him already, me nah left my man for nobody and me nah believe nothing with him say.
You want ya?
How would them a go?
Wait, make me walk up, come on. Me want to see the woman where him up here with.
Where woman there?
Push woman.
Where woman there?
Right, yes, sir.
Where woman there, where that mix up boy I come tell me say you up here with.
Me not tell you say I shot me a go.
So how imagine every day you tell me say you nah give me no bun and here this boy I come tell me say you up here with woman.
Be you know see my try mash up a
Every
relationship.
day you tell me the same thing to
You
me.
bad mind, you know. Your bad mind a freak.
I'm gonna tell myself to go and
So
shop
you
go
know-
buy
you know-
things
you know-
and go
you
to
know-
go buy
you know-
things.
Where the woman there?
Let me see a right here, so it's man.
And that me ask him, but
Uppy.
me kinda believe in us, sis. Me kinda believe.
Ah, Tioty, cause it's it.
Because you see, if I wear me put in some of put on my clothes, me and him a go a beach. See it there? I know.
But him say later.
No, but him say my go shop and come back and see the
One take long, not so.
I 1 hour had no in Ghana shop. How him no come back? How him just a come?
Shop this
See
phone.
there, see all the things them a- see there? See there?
So be you really
You can't go see a long time him left
Remember,
shop.
say you can't take here,
Yeah,
say
man,
go
you
a
got to
court.
buy
Yeah.
your-
Where the
You really
woman
believe
there?
him?
Tibi,
This a all liar, you know.
you know,
Don't make
Tibi.
him mashing
Do you
up.
really believe
you want me jaw wants to Tibi.
Yes, Jawa,
Tibi who you are ramp
Yeah.
We
with?
travel him, I try make.
Look,
No.
you see,
Tibi who you are ramp with?
Show him, see? Oh, what you do?
I'm
What
sorry,
you
my
do?
God.
I want Tibi if you know say you go on and go on, me I go left you same
Sorry,
place.
say me go and shop you.
Me I go left you same place.
There. Fix up myself. Let him.
Look,
Fix up yourself for oh. Move out of my way. Move out of my face. I deal with my man. Me not deal with you. Tibi, which girl are the up here so we do a slim girl in a
Yeah,
one
this so
skirt
called for you know
and
me nah
one
do that.
tie up blouse.
You know me.
She look better than me, Tibi.
Be don't shop me tell us me.
She look better than me and that me I ask
Sis,
you.
talk to me, woman. No.
Because this a mix up here come tell me say no. This a mix up here come tell me say how the girl up here tell her how she can't wash her, she can't cook her, she can't clean.
Alright.
Better me are you come are you a talk about say me not do them things there. What you mean by me not do them things there?
So if yo sis, talk to him.
You not see nobody.
Alright.
You see as from now on today, me I go stop wash for you, I go stop
yeah.
clean
Number
for you, I
two,
go stop cook for you. You hear me I tell you?
This a man a mix up.
Is a hot girl you want in your yard and you go get it.
So you not hot.
Tibi,
So you not hot.
you want me to take some liquid in your face up here today?
You know who me come off my phone with?
Yo,
Yeah, Tio.
You see it? See it there now. Answer your phone. Answer your phone, Tibi.
mommy a call for man.
What you mean somewhere? Tibi, let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. See there? See it there too? See all the girl picture of your phone, Tibi. So all you mean say she... Tibi, who this?
Be, I'm mad at that. Be.
Tibi, who this?
I had dinner, I mean.
Eh?
From the tickers, I'm there.
Let me down.
No, see, some fillet done.
You let him down. Where picture? Look at see.
See it here. See it right here so. See it right here so, Tibi. Who that?
Oh, yeah, one of my friend, woman that.
Me know her. Me change her nappy. No.
So I mix up boy. I come and me yard come tell me about my man up here so give me about this woman with slim girl.
So you can't be mixed up.
Oh, so to me look to me thick so. You want come tell me about man up here so with
No,
slim
you
girl so
man
me
lie.
get jealous.
So you not believe me.
Me not believe you. Me not believe you. Me not see there. Me all say me I go lick down my man for
Yeah,
what?
rejoice
Eh?
too damn quick.
You see you as from now on today. You see what they say me on the left? Take the right. You me I tell you mix up boy.
Yes,
Go on where you are going on destruction. I'll come out of my life.
You see?
You see true you look me, I'm no want you. I hit your care feelings for you know. I hit your care feelings for you know.
Okay.
Hey boy, you see they see me just avoid me, allow me and my man. You say if you even see my man a kill me a road, come out of it.
Yeah, man, love, we
I
are
true me
love.
love him. Make him beat me, make him give me bone, make him do what he want to do.
So you feel say I love.
I love him, him love me too.
Mono mind a woman tell me that. But I also love.
Right now I beat you, I carry me go later.
Hey.
Mama,
How you do it, Bonyo?
You shouldn't tell him that.
free.
Be, you shouldn't
Me
tell
no
him that.
care.
Everybody go.
Me no care. Me love my Tibi. Come out of my life, all
See
crosses.
there, you can't carry. You see?
Come out of my life. Come here, my baby.
Come on,
Come,
baby.
Tibi. Me here, go down. Go away.
Mix up
All
life.
crosses, you mix up. Go away.
Love what I can't take people from man. Eh? And I go on like say she hot. Eh?
How do you? You sound like one big man when I come up.
You me look mad to you.
Yeah, no,
Eh?
how we are.
I begs man. Two me begs me that shit the two bag them what me have in my hand.
Bex for what do you?
Oh, look a slim girl. Me a look a girl and the girl I move away. She named Jody. And the girl I run down TV. Me just have to attack and me go to his sister, you know. And the girl
Jody.
and then diss me. because they're telling the truth.
How happen?
Hmm?
How happen?
the girl I look the ticker's man, right?
Oh, but guess what? You want me to tell you something now? Yes, Jody is my little sister. And every day
Me no
come to me about
me no must know
it.
say your sister.
You don't know nothing because you chat like say you don't know at all.
Ah, of course me know me might junk, but me no fool. Me no fool.
Well, guess what? You're both of them.
I mean,
Both
say you're
jump
the
and
better
fool.
one for you because
No,
you're
listen
intelligent.
up. When you hear me chat intelligent, me ghetto. Me not intelligent. Me ask you so now. Why we cannot just take it on my number, right? Anytime you do that, then you just anytime you see Jody and Timmy together, you just
I
catch
informer
them and
you
send
call
it.
me.
Partially, but you inform. Everybody know you as informer.
Me no informer.
You just chat too much, and that's your
Me
problem.
chat the truth.
No, look here now. So, maybe ask you so now. So, like how you want Jody, when we cannot work for you, work, you just come up.
What
Nobody
you
know
mean
what
by
you
work
want.
for it? How you work? When you talk about work for it?
Sure, Jody say you can't take care, because you only thing when you do done there. And I think could name me board them off of my house and name them.
Oh, a girl I love him belly.
Yes, he love name.
I
Use
tell
him
you-
belly catch him.
I choose a green card.
Yeah, you want get a green card I got for him too. May not come through. They say me a jacket.
She
And
really
alone
have
get
it too?
through. Yeah, man, you can't go on all in bank book. Hi!
Hi, and I run down man.
Yes, because
That
they
thing-
love man. The lady cannot survive with a rose or anything. She need the real thing, right?
Oh, she have to do a put it on in a one pan of ice water, soak it for about 4 minutes, and put it on in front. In well alright.
Me think
Well alright, in cool down.
you have to sober because you don't understand one thing.
Wait, I don't understand one thing.
We are chat say, a girl want, you know, do something. Or maybe you don't got it because
something.
no did
So you
it.
don't feel like you want something?
No, me no want nothing to you go on, but me no have no green card for give. Me no have no green card for offer. Me no have no burger for buy every day. Me can't do none of them there.
Me no eat burger.
Feel well a good sound that. Yeah, Jody wash, cook and clean. Me no do them something there.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll go to man. Hurry up and get rid of them out of me. Hurry up. Go on.
Don't worry, they soon get a brother-in-law. But
Me
I
no
give up.
want none.
Me give up.
Me no want none. Oh, Jody and Tibby. Ha ha. Ehe. Some sweet day.
Hello.
Yeah, why you walk on the stair in the morning?
Can you look like somebody I know? Your face don't look strange. You have no sibling in the lane, yeah?
Oh, yes, I do. I have one little sister.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, what's your name?
Jody, why you feel like you want to stop me and a question about my family?
No, because you just look familiar. You look
Ah.
familiar, like somebody me know or somebody me see.
Oh, well, let me tell you about my sister then, since I sound interested. I got a little sister. Her name is Jody, and her profession is for walk and thief people, man. And she is obsessed with a man, especially this man named Tibby. One boy named Tibby. How you call it? Not too long, you know. Me sit down up and shop up the so, cause me did a wait on the shop for open. Cause you know say that man they don't open early, right? So I was sitting there, all of us she and Tibby must sit there, and they must sit there and go somewhere or whatsoever. I have no idea what they went to do or anything. But yeah, Tibby, what Tibby say? Tibby say he must have Jody must have green card can offer him or anything, and he can marry and getting green card or whatsoever. I have no idea. And Jody is a girl who love burger. Someone who say even if Tibby there with him, burger would not kill Tibby. Jody cannot cook for saving life.
Hold on.
That's how I can tell her. I don't know anything more about her.
Your sister is a brown thick girl.
Jody not thick. Jody what you flat like man. Jody nice and sexy door. You see her breast them up in her chest like this, like. So Jody breast them still. Jody brown and nice, yes. And when we say no, what we say? No more, just brown and nice and you have little body. But your body flat, if I get what I mean.
And you say she there with a man named Tibby.
No. In a one way, I don't know if then there, but she say so another about look to be or want to be or something another like that. We're not sure. But me feel like they so get there. Cause Jody, she anytime she put her man for teeth a man, she gon' get the man. And so she stay. But what you call it? If who else may they hear a cuss? Papa a cuss a go up there so a cuss about how he see Jody and so. But me know say Jody and Tibby have a thing, you know. Me know
Oh,
that
so Papa, you get this from?
No, me not get it from Papa. Me get it from my sister. Everybody knows say Papa a liar, that informer. Me no believe a thing when he say. But you see, me never see my sister and Tibby the day. Me would believe if the Papa can tell me. Me see them out when me want 2 years, then go up in that place. Me no know where they in the gone.
Yeah, you don't know much. Just like the same Popeye. From me mention Popeye, me not too you lose my interest already.
Well, me no business. Go on by your business.
Me know
Where
my
you come
brother
from
girlfriend. Me know my sister-in-law. You know describe my sister-in-law. So
me there, me now walk off find out nobody business. I don't have time for that. Cause guess what? I feel like I do not want to get involved. Cause you see, any day name there, Tibby tickers hold that. They look Maga Jody there. Jody don't know me and I don't know Jody. Cause she don't listen. She don't take heed. I mean, I feel like me want to get beat up on a nice day. You see me, Maga? This little body I can't take no slap from nobody fat right now. So yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lift up my feet and I'm gonna put it right here and lift up the other one and put it right there and go about my jolly way. Yes, if you don't want to believe it, don't cut stop. I'm not forcing you.
From you mention that name.
Yeah, go on here, come and wait up. I don't believe what me say.
Wow. Watch it tickers here. Roll like England pound. Yeah. Come up, man. Me see you, man. Come up, man. Come up, yeah. Me talk to you. Come up.
So, me not tell us so when time you see me on the left, if you take it right.
Listen, me don't listen what you want to say now. You me like, and me like you, and you're a good man. I need a good man in my yard for wash cook. I don't business, boy.
Lord!
Where you laugh at?
Coupa all of that. Look at this. You can maintain this?
Of course.
You can maintain this?
I got it.
Where you have to maintain this?
Me can't work.
Show me where you have to maintain this.
Me can't work.
Well, me no want you.
And you can't deal with me and deal with TB same way. Just catch up and
A TB alone, me want me tired for tell you. A TB alone, me want. Me no want no other man in my life. A TB alone, me want. So all cross is just one.
Watcha.
Preach it, sisters.
Watcha. This is all foot here.
This is what?
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell you before if I leave my brother name out.
Tell him, sis, tell him because everyone you see me just text him.
Every time you see me, I try to get something. You're in the way. Why?
You try mash up for me family. Not now.
Tell him, sis, and in can't mash up me and Tibi.
The other day, take with go meet Duppy. Girl,
when we go up there, nobody.
I must
the way you lie and tell me. Who could I want you?
You must think so.
Who could I want you? Bestie body boy. Who could I want you?
Me tell you, say, one day, you know, you're going to come up ball to me.
For what?
I tell you the truth.
For what? For what? You're the last person me could have come back to.
See, I pick him up him better, you know. With sibling, I go let down there, sibling. He know I say him better cheat. He know. And he not talk.
Why every day?
From you.
Why every day? Every time when you see me, I go shop, you dey palm my back.
Come like
me
you.
I come back, you dey palm my back. Or you ever just appear from where? Where you appear from? You ghost? You dopey?
Me I watch you. Come like you.
So when you watch me for peeping Tom watch.
No fella she.
Hey boy, stop for watch my body.
She didn't want.
Stop watch my body.
I told she didn't want me.
1, 2. Stop telling me, don't tell you already if you keep my name out to your dirty mouth.
So she want me.
You know say you's a mix up.
She want the body, you know.
So who could I want that?
Who could want this body? She want the land.
Who could I want that?
Eh?
You pop them like them old trailer.
You want this sugar stick here? You know what people want to this again.
How much people you see around?
Look here.
How much people you see
around? Stop and walk and watch me. Look like this all me window me see you. Stop walk and watch me.
Alright, since I say want me, take me with she then. Cause I that you want.
Since you have time with him. My God. Me have things for do.
I can't watch them people there in Browning.
Me not watch nobody. Are you a watch somebody? Are you a watch me? Stop watching me. No, you can't stop watching me. Where you watch me for?
As me say no.
You know, say me go tell TB. Me go tell TB, no. Everywhere you see me, you
make
take
him rush me now. Make him rush me. You see any day you rush me, me lick out.
You not hear about TB? You is who?
Don't worry yet. You will see.
You don't stop for walk and watch me, watch me.
Go on with the sexy body. Cause Tibby will make your sexy body look like a lamb.
Don't worry yourself, I make it look so.
Oh, Tio, you
You
feel
must
so?
take care of it. Don't worry yourself. You go on. Me have nothing to do with you. You're liar than crosses or everything that one. That's if you're a thief too. I mean, I want no thief in my life.
Alright, don't say nothing. Alright.
So yeah, so because a long time we I talk no no time for you move me no.
Just calm yourself. The woman and me are not give me no problem. Me can't talk.
No,
You know
but
me?
a long time me you there so I hide and attack and it makes sense now we just move in and done.
If you move in here, me have to go put on my woman. And my woman not give me no problem I had.
But you tell me say she not do this and she not do that and I am willing to do it for you so it makes sense we just move her out and me move in and done.
Better she stay and me a link on the side.
But maybe a whole how long now me a link pan the side? How long is that now? A time for me you move in, me tired of a link pan the side now.
Just relax, baby, just relax. Right now, didn't even know officer, right now I'm confused.
Oh, you see it?
What happen?
you again.
What happen how you reach us so?
No, what more walk on my for reach a fly?
But you come down like you know say so like you hear
No,
say
but there,
so.
I know nothing. We call it a monogram me I go. So that's why I'm happy I come down. So yeah, no else can make me happy like that.
Go and go try money
No,
and get
maybe
something
this
for
more
you.
interesting now. When you turn up and see people man I do. Eh?
So you know say
Come
me
to
and
your
him talk
sister.
long time.
Girl, me tired to tell you say leave the man alone. Me tired to tell you why not listen.
Sis,
You mean to
Here
say
comes more problem.
it's really true?
sis, we are brother and sister.
So
I mean, it's true.
it's you again. Oh, so when I was mama chat ghetto when I was told in use downstairs, use never believes. No, you sees with your eyes. So maybe ask
Are
you
your
how.
sister this?
Yeah, so she said one when me tell her say any man she want she get cause of that her profession. And
Anything me want me get in.
no, not anything. You want a job and you cannot get that. And not anything you want you
Don't worry
get.
about that.
Stop telling her,
So
not
she gets
worry.
you, brother?
Sis, nobody load up your things, sis.
If you know what me know, take away yourself. Cause me and sister-in-law,
You better you go on.
she down there argue with man over you and telling
better
Papa
you
say
go
you
on, 'cause I
not
leave me
cheat
about you
and she a
again.
come.
Where she
So if you know what you know, take away yourself.
You don't see nothing, no, sis.
It
You don't
better
see
you
nothing.
leave.
Yo, me will link you.
It better you leave cause I leave me about.
Oh boy, turn up here so me no done chat to you. Boy, I left you all left. Turn up. Where you left I go?
No me hard.
So
You
little,
hired? You do
Anyway how you
hired.
want go.
little girl, you not feel say it's time for you to get your own a man.
Amen!
You don't know him, woman, you know.
Woo! Yes! Preach it, sister,
So-
preach it. But better
so
tell
what
her
happened?
that and she not listening.
So what happened?
Look here, you know what you have to do now? Like how you see her face and everything, you know what you need to do now? You need to go down there to your sister-in-law
As
and
a
tell her
sister, you should have did
sister-in-law
there
to
beside
come
me
up
side.
here.
As
No.
a sister, you should have there beside me.
No, me tired fit up on your side. Me a no soldier. Hey, go for your sister-in-law and make him grab him up and teach her
No,
a lesson
sir.
cause me
Cause
tired.
your
me
head
tired fit
too
with him.
hot.
No,
Them
see,
your
no,
them your
wait,
days. People get acid in them face.
So
Them people
what
get
happened now? What
unalive.
problem?
She
Oh no
claim
come here
say
with no
she
problem.
bad
Now what happened?
too. So you know what? More want somebody humble her. More want somebody sit on party. More want somebody use
I want to see
clot
that.
them cross one part.
I want to see that.
Where? Oh, yeah,
No, you not to do it. You're gonna mess with the wrong man and the wrong woman,
I want
man.
to see that.
All my sister-in-law, her head hot, you know.
Well,
And she had tickers. One lick and you drop poof. And you drop peng at the same
Then
time.
make no call her.
No.
You don't value your life. You don't value your life.
Wait, no. You see me now, you can call her after me. Me take up myself and
I leave
my
me about
business.
to leave, so me no come out with no argument.
Take
and no
away
problem.
yourself,
I
Catherine.
about leave.
No
I was
argument.
about to leave. Leave. I was about to leave.
So go on, nobody now hold you. Go on.
And be careful.
Me tired. Where you tap for? Go up your yard. Hey, me tired fi tell her say, look your own a man and she do not take heed. Say me tell you no, me give you full permission fi tell your sister-in-law fi mash him up, lick him down, do anything. He will learn that the way there.
Me no want response for that.
No,
Me I go talk to my brother.
I'm gonna collect my money. I don't really care.
All right,
Yeah,
walk
have a
good.
nice jolly day.
Chia.
Babe,
So, Tibi,
Eh? How you did it?
no right down there, so.
I mean, I look for you all along.
So me I look for you too because me just see your sister ask her for you.
Me just see her to her house and she tell me say you don't
So
know.
where you come from up the road?
You mean they look
Me
for
no
me?
like when you go up when you come from up this, so where you come
But
from
me they
up
look
this.
for you, me no know where you there.
That me I say cause me I come up the road to say away cause the sister tell me say you up the road, so me I want to say the way you do up the road.
Me glad me see you to her. Don't make me no do me that again. Don't make me a fret and I think about it.
So me not afraid to me afraid to, you know.
Oh!
Because you know me just accost the boy down the road.
Eh?
The boy no come back to me with the name TV. So me want to know how that go cause
B, come on,
me can't understand how that go. Tibi me not come off the roadside.
Come on, B.
Tibi me not coming off of the roadside. Look here, where you come from up the road?
Are you me there look for me? Not tell her that already.
So how the boy could have seen me down the road and tell me say you and the girl now left.
Me?
So me if left you and come to him.
Ask my sister. While I go my sister past me and ask him where they are. Him or she make me know say you don't know.
Me would have said the same thing to ask the sister if the boy no come back and tell me the same thing and she come on and she hear the conversation. So me want to know how that go to be. From what day me I hear this argument, me can't understand.
B, come on, we going here.
Tibi.
Like you road front.
Tibi.
B, you know me not like.
Then say wanna go so near so.
B, you see me not like talk.
Tibi, which woman you have up the road?
Where woman fi do up the road? Don't forget woman from.
Tibi, you know say one day me I go left. Me I go left, you know, Tibi. Me and you I go left. Because you see you're very humanizing and me not in that. Tibi, where you see out the road where you are around? Where you want? Tell me what me now do, Tibi.
Where you did there? Come here, look for you and can't find her. Where did
Me I come from me yard where you left me for morning. Me can't understand that me buck up in the boy down the road.
Tell us say that man is a mix up man. You can't listen to you make that the man they say cause that the man the relationship break up.
You know say me I go start listen to that boy there. Me I go start listen to him, you know. Me I go start listen to him cause you see you. I bet say me mash up one of them girl there for you. I bet say me mash up one of them girl there for you.
Really roadside I want I deal with me so.
You hear what boy say? I bet say you go put me out. Me I go mash up one of them girl for you. Cause you see you.
Put you up, B,
I bet some teach you a lesson to me.
B, don't do that man. You know me love you now, B. Come on, B.
I'm love it too. Come on, man.
Yeah,
Cause you see you. Wait.
You know, man.
Go mash.
B, you know say too long with you and me love you and thing. You know say a full time now if we get married and you don't feel so.
What?
You tell the truth.
You know say, for tell you the truth, I think about it sometimes.
A full time we have got plan here and do it. We have got plan one day. Which day would I get married pan? What do you think about that?
Probably my birthday or your birthday.
That sound good.
Well,
Some people lie.
What is a mix up? Where do you wanna come from?
Man is so wicked. I want this.
You're blind.
Oh no, I'm not blind.
So where they ask
Just
me?
did want to make sure.
Where they ask me stupid question for?
how is she?
It more I know. How are you?
You don't remember me too?
Remember you far away.
Oh my God. Man is so lie.
To be a older.
Man is so lie.
Where you know me?
Oh, no, I don't know you.
Oh.
Listen, I have no
To be
idea
a
about
that.
this
Oh,
one.
me fi
Man
know.
is so lie.
Yo, watch it for yourself, little girl.
I'm going. Man so wicked.
Yo,
Hold on, baby girl. Come here.
Man tell lie.
You have something to say?
Drunk. Man a dog.
You know him?
don't you know me
I
from?
don't know what to be. I don't know him.
What me name?
So how you just come around here, son?
No, I just want my money. Gram, come here, I want to look at money for collect. So I just put on my clothes and say, I'm going to
See,
the
you
So
know,
after me and my man they start talk about
Yeah.
marriage, girl.
yeah.
Then
Come on.
you choose to come talk about man is so like no, that looks suspicious.
No, look suspicious. But you see, anytime, you see, if you don't understand, you see, anytime You understand? You're gonna thank me and you're gonna beat up somebody. Right?
Yo, go for yourself, a little girl. Yo, big. Yo, no.
No, Tibi, me need for ears. Stay here, so because me tell you now. Me tell you, say, if you no go so in near so, me need to hear something.
Well, guess what? It near so. It almost go so though, but in a reach there, but it soon go so and
Yo,
near.
go on about the business.
Tibi,
Yeah, just
Tibi.
do with it, yes.
Come here, girl. Come here.
No.
Come here.
B, making what?
Go no later.
B, no, make it.
Tibi, who that?
Come if you know. No, I'm.
Tibi, who? You know, say every time you do something, you come one like you want to come friend me up.
B, top that.
Tibi,
B, relax. So when
Tibi, me tired of it. They when they done, you come tell me about mine.
No, you know
Then Tibi,
so-
I ring you up, put up on my finger for the one. Don't hold me down.
They know. Yo, yeah, me will chat about him, man.
Tibi,
B,
me
relax.
no want to ring palm my feet. Me no bother want you ring, Tibi. Me don't bother want you ring. Tibi, if me go continue for hear say, man is so lie, and me go hear say, you go put me out on my face, and me go hear say, you so left me cause you're there with slim girl up the road. Tibi,
B, me can answer something.
how much things me one can angle, Tibi?
Me can answer something to you, B.
Yes.
You know, I did a plan to buy you something nice. I'm
For the what?
going to surprise you right now. I'm going to follow
Tibi, you
over.
can't friend me
No,
up
you
again.
can't.
Tibi, what do you tell me? Say, yeah, can I go to beach? I'm going to put on my nice, sexy shots and my nice belly skin. I'm ready for go beach, Tibi. You know, Tibi.
I'll buy you something nice.
You remember
right
say you did not can go to the beach, Tibi?
now. Me remember the last time I go buy
No,
something nice.
you
and
go
try
buy me something nice, Tibi. You can't set no bait for me. Cause me not catch it. You not set no bait for me,
What you want?
Tibi.
So me can surprise you.
Tibi, all what I want for you change. You look a dirty, nasty ways. And you say, if me see that man there again and him tell me the same thing, Tibi, me I go left you coming out. Wait till you put me out. You know, say, me love you too much. Me love you too much,
So
you
me
know.
I love you too much too.
Me love you till me fool, Tibi, and it come like I say, you know, so me shouldn't tell you that. Tibi, a big war you want for go on in a lane, yeah?
B, top bring violence.
Tibi, a big war you want for go on, yeah?
Want surprise you, top bring.
Tibi, you know, so one day me go bust somebody face. Me go tell you again, you know. Me go bust somebody face one of them. I bet say them time they are go learn. All right.
I go surprise you, B.
With what? Where you can surprise
can't
me?
tell you. I go surprise you. I get something on the road for you. Surprise and nice. When I come back, you go
Tibi, you
love me.
know, so I love you too much.
So me no love you too. I go follow you go over
I love it.
and go get
You
you
see
something.
you every time you do something, you come nice me up with your good loving. But you
relax,
see
man.
so.
I'll buy something
Where
special.
you get that something there from?
I'll bring you over, follow you go over and go buy and come back. And it's a surprise.
For me.
Yes, for you.
Alright, baby, me think about
Alright,
it.
now, come on.
Me think about the marriage.
I'll
You
follow
sure?
you go over, come on.
Tibi,
B,
open on no popcorn when you walk out fool me up with, you know.
Like that's why me a hurry so. You make it place like I get
Alright.
surprise. Wow,
Hi,
looking good.
thanks.
So, where you come from?
Me come from down the road down there so.
And then, yes, sir.
Cause I want me a walk.
So, what your name?
My name Pinky.
Pinky.
Yeah.
You sure that your name their name?
Yeah, Pinky my name.
So, first me I hear about this name.
Me no know. True me you no see me. Yeah.
You look good and thing and so you like me?
Yeah, of course.
So if me tell her say want some of my front, you would give me now?
Yeah, me thank you. Why not?
Alright, I'm gonna take you now still, you know, like no, but I'm gonna take you look more so. You
Aye.
ready? Put a number in this and call me later or you text me.
Titty.
Yeah, if you call me, private a number.
Aye.
And don't answer if you don't hear me say nothing.
Aye.
Don't say nothing if you don't hear me say nothing.
Yeah.
Alright.
So where you go?
Don't you ready so me I go down there I go too.
I don't let me leave.
So me no can follow you.
Oh, aye.
Daddy, you don't know.
Me there.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So I go on.
Now she go on.
You fit tell me when you come see me I sit down.
I say earlier me go and link up man, I couldn't wait till the place dark up.
How you stand tell me that?
But we can't build as well because night soon come then.
Oh, alright.
Can't go on easy back till the place dark up.
Yeah.
I'm not sure you like the things when in the daytime, you know, like do it at night time.
I see.
I saw one place where me do too like either.
Me hear you know. But you know what? I'm going to shut my eyes and ears and go about my business because I really actually don't care
That
about
you do.
And that may go do, you don't have to say it
You
twice.
damn right.
Right. Allow me.
How would I think?
Me don't know a little girl about the place and come and big informer.
Oh.
Yeah, see my sister. No one thinks me, you know. Yes, what me tell you, say me never want the ass, brother.
No, sir. Everybody pass you and them in a sitting.
But me no want to go back to my woman.
So you consider say a woman?
Remember me did
Maybe
tell
your woman come come see you.
you nah, no worry about that.
You can take a beat right now.
She can't do nothing. Nobody not go know. Nobody did see it.
Yeah?
Who?
The GPS.
You know, you hearing saying him a go shut in years and years.
I wonder where. Oh, lady. Yeah, you may talk.
Oh, may I talk? Mm-hmm.
You see Tibet anywhere up the road?
Yeah. Alright, just see today when me did a pass on a hum me look a song right there. Yeah, Tibe me did a drop it for. You see if you want to see a man, look you go turn right there and you go up there so and you bust the left and you see him right on the left with that girl.
What?
Yeah, me advise you for walk with something.
What you asked it to me?
A while ago, I come down and I see them right up there. Me just say, I go shut my eye and go about my business because I don't see nothing. But
You sure what you asked it to me?
Lady looking at me, I look like me I lie to you? Okay.
No, but look here. You see, uno thing nowadays, uno love take people, man.
Crazy. If me I take man, me don't want to take Tibi. Tibi no have nothing for offer to me.
No, we are past the place, you know.
Me not pass my place.
No, we are past the place.
Me did a pass the place and I go about my business and you stop me. So
yeah, me stop you because I look like you're a person of interest, you know, like you love take people, man. So you see, mine are bad news I carry for my man, you know.
Alright, yeah, yes, if you don't believe me, cause me hear all I want. But just say me would advise if you hurry up and go out there before then goodly finish or anything. And stop the done here a whole argument with me. Yes, if you don't believe, simply you just walk and go look for yourself. If you don't believe me, you don't got to.
So Timmy take me for menke now. Me them yard a cook. I'm over there clean. And Timmy left me and go and say him soon come. And what you say? I up the road you see him with girl?
Yes, yeah, just go right to Alien Head right there and then you go so and then you
know, so that's time I feel listen to that mix up boy there.
Yeah, he mix up, but when he mix up right.
You sure say I know take you out take my man?
Crazy. It's time when they're there so I can't see up. Please me girl or up and go on here or up and
go. Me go up there but
yes,
girl.
But what happened?
Don't worry yourself.
No, me no worry. Me not
you take time and go on.
I'm going.
You take time and go on because you look like I say you love people, man, too.
Jesus.
Coop on you. You dry up like a... No, sister-in-law, me there. You know, say Tibi me a walk a look for.
Me not see him. He's supposed to down the road.
So you mean say you no see him? Then me not just pass the little dry out girl there. Where tell me say she see Tibi up the road with one girl. So must walk come straight up the road and broke the corner. I look for me right, me see.
You mean my smarty shop? No, it's a brown girl with extension, me see there. Sitting on the bench. Me not see Tibi.
So how she come?
Mind the car.
You know say something a go on up here. Something a go on, you know, when me can't understand.
Bad mind people want mash up on the religion.
Sister, mine you hide something for me, you know. Mine ya hide something for me.
Like what?
You sure say not hide nothing for me?
Sister-in-law, me is not Tibby and me is not
I love
your
Tibby,
man.
you know.
Me
I
have
love
nothing
Tibby
for
and
hide
me.
for you.
I can't afford for no for here say Tibby I give me bun. You know how long I want to catch it. You know how long I want to find out.
You must
You know how
know.
long I want to catch him somewhere.
But sometimes when you look for things, you find it. You know, so this is the most powerful part of it. We talk it into reality. So sometimes when you talk, and you look for it, you find what you look for.
And the Bible say, seek and you shall find. So I hate to see me I walk up and down and look for Tibby. From when me on the road I look for Tibby. So tell me now, where Tibby could have there?
I don't know. I'm asked what shop me I come from.
All in my mind, sister-in-law, you hide something for me.
Well, them say if the cap fit, wear it, you know. Because me know so me
hide
not have nothing
something
for
for me.
hide. So if you have something for hide, because you, me say, I do all the accusing. So,
No, but look here.
nobody take your fat fry me
Sister-in-law.
and Tibby.
But listen now. What them say, if you no near say do what?
Me no business with that, you know.
If you no go say do what?
Because me and you not in a nothing. You there with my brother. You ask me if me see him, me tell you what me see.
But you and him close like this.
So what is the problem?
He must
I
tell you
raise
something.
him.
He must tell you something. He must tell you something because you look at dry up with cigar when me see gone down there, so tell me say Tibby up the road.
Well, all me can say is, for ease your mind, come we could walk on the road and see.
Well, me need to go up the road, me need to find out. Because I want to know where suppose I go up this long go back up Tibby. What Tibby would I tell me say today?
If, I mean answer so, but if I saw, you have to prepare yourself. Because them said don't ask the question if you're not prepared for the answer.
Tibby can't tell me nothing if me go up the road go see me no sister.
You have to know what you prepare accept. Because nobody can look after you better than you. So you have to know what you're prepared for accept.
Sister-in-law, I'm stressed. I'm stressed out. Tibby stress me out. He stress me out.
Me know, man, but nobody put
and
words
I Tibby I come talk about married. Me not married to him. Me not married to him. Me not married to... You me say?
Come.
Me not married to Tibby.
All right, come.
Because by the end of the day... What?
Come, make we go put the answer to the question.
When me not have what Tibby I look for out the road.
When I know... You don't even know, say.
When this me start do some exercising.
Come exercise and come.
Everyone me go me here see a slim girl. So you look like something wrong with me.
No. Nobody think about that.
It's alright.
Put
You
your
say
mind
if me
at
go up the road and
ease.
see Tibby, not even you not go like it today. Come me I go bust up either the girl face or me I go bust it.
Boy, be in a easy, you know. You know, easy at all, Pinky.
It's a brown time. This is sitting here.
Cause me I tell her say, cause you see, we want to go to party later and...
Dirty Tibby!
I
really I say you there?
No, me I chat to me cousin.
Tibby! Who she?
Me cousin, me I tell her about the one party we I keep later.
Tibby, me I go ask you again. Because me tell you say no, me tell you no Tibby. You see any girl me see you with, me I go bust them up. You swear say I joke me I make Tibby?
Cause you're good,
so I really I say you there Tibby?
Cause make sure you're good, cause
Tibby, I really I say you there?
I make woman this and I meet my cousin-in-law.
My girl, what you do you so?
I stop me this done so. And
My
me see him
girl.
come.
Don't play, hey girl, don't play with my blood. Hey, don't play with my man, you know. Hey, what you do you so with my man?
Mr. Nassan him come to.
What you do you so with my man?
Ask him.
My girl, I'm gonna ask you one question again, you know. Don't get me out up here, you know. Me say what you do you so with my man?
My son right here, so all she see me right here so by myself.
What you and Tibby in now? Girl, you look like a... You look like this really help me to mash you up today, you know, girl. Me say what you do you so with my man?
Ask Tibby because see me as so.
See me what?
Cause talk to him no cut.
Talk to me because it seems like I say me too big. I be a slim girl you walk and future.
Come here,
I big me too big, Tibby?
Come tell us something, B.
Tibby, I big me too big?
B, let go of people them.
Me say what you do you so with my man, girl?
You can't let you up people.
Him come see Mr. Nasso.
Him come see you sit down here, so?
Yes. Cause she passed me, so.
So what the conversation all about? That me really want to hear.
I want party, ma tell me about.
I want party ma tell about. Auntie me not tell me about party.
I'm a cousin.
Auntie me can't tell me if it. Go cook my food. Go wash my clothes. Eh? Go bed and go in your bed. And I come tell you about party. Tibi.
I'm a cousin.
Tibi, where you get money for that? Tibi.
So
I want me ask you
let
for
me
some
go
money.
party. Let me go
So
party.
what? Which party you go?
The party, one party I keep looking more.
Tibi. You see four we feed a yard, them not hard for catch. So you see you now and you me I deal with. Wait, why not the world yeah, my man cannot chat about party this and party that?
I'm a cousin.
Tonight me tell us me
tell you all the time you know, don't play me.
You no fear do that.
Me is a mad hey.
B.
Me say don't play me, Tibi. Don't play me. I you know enough to play me too, boy.
You know fear deal with me, Sabi.
You me say? And if me when they come talk about married, him they even tell us him have a woman.
He didn't tell me.
So why me I go tell her that?
Him they tell us him have a woman.
No.
Yo, you see when you go out there, you see bitch them. Don't disown me.
Brother. You see in a life, brother.
Don't disown me.
You just come. You just come.
You think me a carpet when you just come and wipe up your foot and say, hey, Tibi, you see you?
You even ask some questions.
You see you? You's a wild goose, but you see you? You better jump in your shell, cause you look here. Me bust your face. Don't play with me.
Brother, me lose off.
Don't play with. So hold on there. Wait. You go on. Old trash. Go dump yourself. Damn rubbish.
B, come and talk to you. Want talk to you.
But you want to go party. I go like I say. But you want to go party. TB I carry me go party. But you go carry go party. Go dump yourself, girl.
B, want chat to you.
You me a deal with no TB. So tell me now, sister. Like, oh, you tell me say you never see TB when you come up here, so.
Me never see my brother when me walk past. Try know who you talk to.
Sister,
me is not the little girl.
You say you never see TB when time you pass up here, so you see one girl sit down on the bench. So how TB appear here, so now? TB, what you did there? You did
yeah, what you did there? Can me never see you.
Be if you sit down and make me talk about this, you can't just come and look at you grab up my cousin that you grab up while ago.
Okay, cousin boil good soup, TB, me not trust none of them. What you tell me say? What you want to tell me say? Are your cousin? So, all of them so close. Not even breeze can pass through. Eh? So when you go tell your cousin about party and then when you come here now, Lisa, food cook it, my clothes them wash it, the place clean.
B, how much time you tell us top load up your mouth off of me?
You tell me I'm washing Lily, cooking Lily, and cleaning Lily. More and goat. What do you tell me say you carry me go to beach, you don't carry me nowhere? Now you come promise me ring like cause I'm frightened for you. I'm not frightened for you, Tibi.
Stop dealing with me so I would be waiting.
I'm not frightened for you, Tibi. I left me, I go left. Me tired of it now. You can't fool me no more. You fool me as much. I'm done with it. I'm done with you. You see all your sister-in-law, me think you was a good sister-in-law, you know. Me think you was a good sister-in-law, but you are not. You are not. All I want me see.
Because me and you now have nothing.
No come.
And they want to hug up, man.
B, what I tell you do? What I tell you do?
You're so festive.
Look here, me don't know why you touch me. Me don't know why you touch me. Me should have listened to him long time.
Listen to who?
You ain't even in the same.
Me should have listened to him long time.
Mama,
no.
Anything what me tell you about
me should have listened to your old chela, your old. Him full of rubbish, but him know when my taxi.
B, come on, B.
Don't touch me, TV.
B, come in, B.
Sister,
don't touch me, TV.
No, man, me can't help you. Me lose off for you. Me lose off
all my sister come talk about. She don't see TV up the road. She go see one girl on the bench. You know, say you play a hypocrite for me.
Hey,
you're a hypocrite, you know.
Mine where you accuse me of, you know. Mine where you accuse me of, you know. You have problem with my brother, you know. No problem with me. You don't make no problem with me, you know.
You're sure clean on the outside, but you're dirty on the inside.
TB, you do right. You do right, my brother. You do right. You find her out. Eh? Imagine this. You and she have problem. Me I keep out take. Cause me in the business in a two people relationship.
How you come here, come shake your head and shake so like
You don't know me and who? Me no name Tibby.
You're jimbling?
No, this is sweet.
So where you like you off how do you have nerves problem?
Yeah, so nice.
You must have nerves problem. Where you come here so far? Where you for? Where you for? Where you for?
Eh?
Where you for?
Anyway, problem the and stress at them day.
Why you go clean out the whole
that's
live fire?
too
Live fire so.
Only that you
problem
know.
this.
Trailer truck. I take me come to take up the problem and the crosses. You know,
Ain't
come.
galang,
Put it
man.
down back. Put it down back.
You know, come.
So
Put
how
down
you
back the
work
problem.
with these crosses
Me walk
and
with the problem back.
destruction?
Go on, you're too fast.
You're
I'm the business you want
goat
to go Chatter Road.
You're goat mouth. Everything was fine till you come along and start opening your mouth. Move on,
You know
galang.
me love you.
Me no want hear nothing from you,
What
Tibby.
is
Leave me
love,
alone.
Tibby? What is love? How will you come get you with? Jody?
I don't even know that rubbish. Me say I go dump herself in a rubbish pan. Me know she, but I never see her yet in all my life.
What is love?
For me, come here so with Tibby for Tibby can me come here. I never see
Me
that.
always sit up here.
I never see that.
I want different blind. You see no love here, sir?
Yeah.
Or destruction, you see.
Yeah, na pinch you,
Me tell you, one day I'm going to put out your backside and don't.
Yeah, man, or your woman.
I'm both.
You might watch
Yeah,
that
both.
woman.
Yeah. me
Well,
both.
listen to me now, two tongue. Left off from a man. I tell you remember what me did tell you? Me say anyway you see me and my man have problem, left out of it.
Lord of God, you know, learn.
You all hypocrite. Go on.
Learn.
Cause that's my business.
The
You want
sister we are
come, you want
protecting.
come creep up and carry go scatter it out the road. Go on and leave me alone. Leave me and my man alone. Allow me and my man alone.
So you just walk by
You ever hear them say when two head go for one pillar what happen?
Oh, we forgot a clone. A clone.
Yes. And are you are wear the colors.
Me a move.
Me a clown, but are you are wear the colors.
Me a move
Damn
the circle.
fast and mix up and love.
You still there?
Go on. All chiller. Listen.
Galang, Bobo.
Put down my problem and leave it right there.
Bobo
Don't
the
creep
clown,
up.
move
I don't know
on.
you go dash you like
You ever hear
old
that talk and
clocks.
say, who laugh? What they call it? What word say?
Bobo the clown, me no know.
Last.
Galang no man.
Think from me now.
You want a piece of dog tape
Who
for the
laugh?
people mouth. Go on, you chat too
Galang
much.
Bobo man. Sure.
Right. Who first laugh?
Galang, you don't even know the sentence. Move on, Galang, Bobo the clown.
All right.
Galang.
Me
Can't
get
even
my
chat
last laugh. Me only know about that. Me soon get my
You want
last
to give
laugh.
something for laugh after Galang, man?
Yeah, man. I have protect your brother and hide your brother from the girl. I hope one day you find out the
You look
truth.
like I said you did buy back
You
our
still
jacket.
there,
Go
move
on.
on, Galang. Oh, make
Yeah.
me pop my slippers.
Eh.
Take a you.
Love people business too much. You look mixed up. You look a two tongue.
Be listen to me now. You listen to me, right?
Why your problem?
You know me love you and me respect you. You know I will never do that.
Who you can't respect? Who you talking to?
Sis, tell me.
Hey,
Don't get me involved.
all of
You
your
shame me
days are
already.
fooling me and me done. Me done. I say you make you look an idiot where I pass here. Come disrespect me about me a clown. Eh? Me a clown. Couple you too. You?
Yo, come on, look on. Sis, forward. You know me love you.
Where you can't tell me
Yo,
say
come in
again,
here,
Tibby.
no
Wait,
bad man.
come in and wish
Yo,
me.
sis,
Nah,
come
me
on.
don't know with you. Me done with you, Tibby. Me done. Me done. Walk over this, me walk over here.
Yo, look on the time. Think of time for you go home now, you know.
I know, so I'm not going to.
What make?
No, I'm not left. She have to go come see me here, so.
You can't do that. You can't do that. You go make my man come catch you, you know.
You know how long me want to reach in this bed?
Yo, Jody, just relax, Jody, man.
Me say me not moving. Right here, so me a stay.
So, why?
God.
Tibby.
What is not this?
Oh, Tibby. So wait, Tibby, what you trying to show me?
It's over.
Tell her.
No one different woman this.
It's over.
Tell her.
It's over. Me done.
So you mean say over, Tibby?
Me done. It's over. Me
So
can't.
Tibby,
Me
oh,
no-
you forgot just over, so.
I'm a new woman.
You not hear
Slim
me?
man.
So Tibby, all of them time the Tibby?
Of
Even
course.
the marriage where you promised me, Tibby?
That come for married. You don't see me woman and woman
Timmy,
slim and
Timmy.
sexy. You don't see how some woman come from.
Timmy,
So you promise her
who
marriage?
I wash and cook and clean for you? I see the girl come sit down pan my sheet when I wash.
She a go wash and cook and clean for me. I know.
That day.
So I can wash and cook and clean.
How you mean?
I know 2 hands me have.
Tell him again, baby.
What you doing?
I know 2
What
hands me
you
have.
doing?
Hey,
What
don't raise a voice.
You really
Trembling, what you doing here?
Carry down your voice.
Get here, man. Lord. What?
Oh, so
That's your
two maga girl don't feel like I said I won't have everything
Carry
going
down your
on.
voice.
Yeah, man. Lord, woman say
You see you,
pour
Timmy?
on a voice.
I might
You
place
is a
no
little-
wine so me live
Timmy.
right now.
Yes, I look ungrateful.
Don't
girl.
touch me. Don't touch me.
You.
wrong.
You're
Woman.
ungrateful.
A green
Timmy,
card.
Man,
this.
why I don't know how you
Timmy.
can't put your finger up in
Them
my
dog.
here I don't have a relationship, Timmy, and at this.
Take time talk to me.
Timmy, what me do?
Be alright.
Timmy, what me do?
Alright, make sure
Timmy,
you're
what
alright.
me do?
Yo.
Hey, girl.
Wait.
Hey,
What you
girl.
do? What you do?
Hey, girl.
What I do this a girl there?
Where you come up in here, fam?
What you do?
What you do?
You're not living here so no more.
Oh,
You
you
don't
mean say
live
no
here so no more. Take up your things there. Take up your
Me
things
wrong, hey, girl.
Yo, sis.
Yeah.
Watch it, sis. Cause you're in
Give me
trouble.
clothes them making one.
You
Yeah,
say,
that's
girl,
Give me your clothes me making one.
Oh, me, hey, girl.
Whatever.
You see, the hey, girl.
Yo.
No, more
Clothes
Hey, girl. More
Yo.
dent up her face.
Yo.
Timmy, don't touch me. Timmy, don't touch me.
Yo.
Timmy, you say,
Naked girl in the here.
Timmy, I know me a war in the
Said now,
Yo.
see her bag girl.
Don't you have to call the police, you know.
Timmy say all along, that old dirty curtain there over there. So,
How we are curtain? How we are curtain? Eh? You don't forget it. Don't forget it.
everywhere is peace.
me no
Hello, see your clothes them here. Come one out.
Hey, me don't want you know.
Yo. Your time expire. Come on,
Expire
shelf.
where?
Come on, shelf. See your
Expire
clothes.
where?
Again.
Expire what,
I
Timmy?
bet you really pick up, brother.
Take them up.
Take them up. Take up
I think
your
I'll run up in her.
No, you can't up in
Take
my
up your
green
things
card.
them and go on.
What you talking about?
Look for me. Woman,
You
woman.
don't live here no more.
What you mean?
She don't have no green card.
Where
I
is
see
my-
the girl sister we meet down the road, TB.
Who tell us
She's
that
a
she
trickster.
She have green card. Tell him. Sure.
have it?
Alright.
Come to the family business.
You come over your head. Don't ramp with me.
Oh, you didn't take too long. Come on, take up your things then.
Come, take up your things them, miss, and go on outside.
Yo,
Hey, tell a boy to left out our business.
me not
Tell a boy
say
to
no.
left out our business.
Yes, you ain't come
that's
start
what
to tell her how long to take her out here.
ugly.
Yo,
Hey, if you push my head through that window, them lick off your face.
yo,
You.
take time shot.
Hey, bitch.
Yo, how we are
It's not worth it. It's not worth
This
it.
girl had to me.
But it's not worth it.
Yo, sis,
Timmy, you
take
see
her
you?
out.
You see you, Timmy? You see anything when you do me? It'll come round by you 10 times. Remember me tell you
I'll
that.
50 times too.
Come on to family business. Everywhere you go, there's a problem.
I want that come.
Yo, take time shot
I
now.
want if the friends face beat out and fall up and don't match. Hey boy, come back to the window.
Yeah.
Hey Timmy.
Yeah, I mean, don't
Timmy,
have
put on I'm not come out at today.
Take up her bag and send her out.
Me not come out
Sis,
at
talk
this.
to him now.
It's not worth it.
You think, hey, you think 1 year of the night will come my back alone and me don't get no home?
Yo,
Yeah, come and come
take her out now,
talk.
sis.
Come out here.
And you're
Come on,
away. You cause all of
Come
this.
away.
Your little head.
Yo, yo, go cheese one.
Put on my bag. Put on my bag. What do you? Put on my bag.
Yo,
Put on
go
my bag
cheese.
in this.
Yo, put it, throw it.
Timmy, you want to put on my bag out the door?
Put them out.
You want to put on my bag? You think I know more licking in your face?
Yo, sit
Just put my bag out the door, you
Sit down,
sister.
B. Sit down.
Put it out there.
It's not
Yo,
worth
Put it up.
sis.
Put it
not
on the
worth
name,
it.
TB.
You know, sis, I don't want you. You're not worth
If the name
it.
was your
sis,
name.
put her out for me now,
She not
sis.
sit
Put
her
her
out
out
the
now.
good for me,
Calm
please.
yourself down because
So all the time I walk road, I look for you. And every night when time, all 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, what?
Come in green card, me the chat to.
Jesus.
I drink your dinner chat too.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you want me to fly out.
Mm-hmm.
Go on about your business. Stop use them. Stop use Siri.
And that's it,
Alexa, me
I'm
the use.
Tibi, please, oh God.
No,
Please.
Save your tears.
This shoes are not found. These shoes are not found. Come on, man. Stop use Siri. Alexa, me I use.
You don't feel ready, somebody girl child is.
These shoes are not found. Come in. Come on. Come out.
Just praise
My girl say things them, they say them and go along.
Rise up,
Them and
rise
go
up.
along.
Rise up, this is not working. It's not working.
No, to be alright. Any woman you have me accept.
No, accept what? But
To be remember to me have a child together, I love
come
Tibi.
on. Come on.
Could remember the youth now. You cannot come here, so.
Green card, yeah. Man, that bunks me. Green card. Don't touch my green card. You can't do that.
Remember me tell you that to me? Anything when you
Go on,
do,
go on.
don't touch me things and go away. Hey boy, go away.
Go on.
Yeah, me no germs, it was
No, let's not behind, please. Get them up.
germs.
No left nothing behind. Hold on.
Give me this.
Go on, here I
Yeah,
go.
picture like drunk crow. What?
Stop no Siri. Alexa, me I use now. Ah, just this. Come out of my place too. You're next one. Come out.
Hey, you think
Come on.
say yeah, she? Let me tell
Come
you
on.
something. Maybe pick up my glasses.
Pick up
and
this
give
one.
me.
Come out.
Anything you do, I'm gonna come right back round to.
What black me do? Come on. You're next one too. Stop use Siri. I'm going on green card.
Come here, babes.
My green card is here. Just have to run away.
Long time, I tell us if we run our
A long time run away.
Look how I tell us if. Babes, you know, so me glad say you move me now in the door.
I'm glad say me move into and get rid of that fat sin thing because I don't know what me I do with him in our house.
A long time I did to get rid of her.
So now that me did want to do. Still me
No,
finally
so
do it.
Me no feel like me want to go over. Me I go give up my green card. Me no feel like me bother want to go over.
God no.
God no.
So-
Just to stay beside it.
You would do that for please me?
Of course. Then why not?
What go on?
There, what?
There, man.
Me not see you on the live again.
Oh, me tap the live and now me.
How was she?
Oh, I want to gift to them. Moderator too. And she said me most gift and the biggest gift them.
Mm-hmm.
How was she?
I'm a woman this.
Wow. So you're moving yellow already?
Look how long. How are you there?
Dear.
How happened?
Me did say something happen, mama.
No, me never say something happened, but it sound like it was in some business another.
Oh, me and him no business.
We
As
don't
he
know
said,
business, babe.
I'm just in gift, I'm dear.
So, you know have said me no more gift when me go back live.
Who said I want gift? I have a woman.
So, what wrong with that?
You have a woman. Me no need to send no gift, me dear. See a
So
woman
that
there.
have to do with it.
I more ask me again.
What that have to do with it? Because when me did I look you on the live, you never want me.
Me could-
You gonna take up this a girl I wanna give her no money on live.
Oh. Well, I know you wanna gift me still, so we not too really business about
Right.
so. Go on your ways.
Anyways, me not even really run off him more. Cause he said we like how you run out there. Your woman, I see so don't she. I rest of time say she just say boy with the colicky.
That I know your business.
Yo, go on.
That
Go
I know
mix
your
up.
business.
No, listen to him, yeah.
See your riches.
You know, babes, I be a burger, me go buy yeah.
So we not have to cook again.
We not have to cook again.
Alright.
Watch ya. The two clown them. Clown. Me can't believe it. Eh? One night, through the window, me see you and your woman and she. You still choose she over your woman?
Then I must.
Then why not?
Hey,
Eh?
the
Then
boy
why
a
not?
brighty.
Cause the woman a good woman.
Good woman way.
And she had that look me and you never get me, that's why.
Oh, he's selfish.
Yes.
So true him a look you and can't get to make him a
look me
corrupt
and
me.
can't get me, come tell me say you me want.
So hold on there. So you call her selfish?
Oh, you mean?
No teaching a life. You say they have good woman, you know, put them out because of them. You don't take up
That's
trash.
not your business. You don't
My
know what's
woman
good
have
from
green
what's
card
not.
and him a buy me beer burger. You know watch that?
So that I barely
You
get
are
you.
right.
No worry about that.
I barely get you.
Myself, you no worry about that.
You see she?
Come here, babes.
She a
Me, no,
gonna
me,
be
we-
wicked. She a gonna make you ball.
Tell him say you not do me nothing. Make
Me
him
don't
go.
know what him a say. Why? That's
No.
not your business and your problem.
You see, on woman like on mash up people relationship. On woman, when you see
Me never
man in
mash up
a
none
good
for you, though.
relationship, when you gone in a hit for what? For dominate their relationship. Eh?
Me never mash up none for you, though.
Come on here, man, be a burger.
Never.
I'm a woman have green card too. The next one never have none. Babes, I know some kind of thirsty though.
Yeah, man, look, me, you want one juice?
Do you mean I can ask that?
Alright, I better want the
See shop right there, we can get here so.
Alright.
Thanks, juice here.
Come on.
But you do yourself. Eh?
No,
But you're determined to get the man.
So, what do
So-
your sister?
Me don't know what do
What's the thing
I.
not doing?
You're not big woman.
I don't me I said to
I
What's
mean, look
her?
at sister about big, him big yes, but he not so big.
You can't do what you feel like for do now.
Oh, sure, go do what you have to do.
Alright.
Yeah, go on by your business. You're there.
I know that Mary, yes, he lives. He lives. Oh, watch out. Me all sing this song for the right time. Yes, he
Me all
lives.
drop out of my slippers.
Oh, yeah, drop out of it.
What? Why everywhere me you appear?
God, it's destiny.
Destiny.
God already connect me to your car.
Oh,
Me see fear boy, you know.
this a wireless. You can't not connect to me. Me and you come like Bluetooth.
So the best thing that when we nearby we connect. It's simple as
So
that.
how you ever know which part me I go, where me I come from? Me just appear in my way.
For
So
my business, me are going to worry about your man when me see I come down with the slimmers. And that you feel worry about.
that's all you good for people life.
Eh?
Me know Father God, I tell you. From me I walk from down the road and see me know say something him a come with now.
So you couldn't tell me say one night when me push me through the window and you catch a dirty boy. Me think I'm
I should have lick off your dirty face that me should have do.
yes, boy, put your
Yeah,
hand
come
in the
push it
man.
all ugly face.
You see if you did a go at gym, you would have up the man now. If you did a grind him good, you would have up the man.
No, true, you want me grind you good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like you. I mean, if you take up
Well, me
my-
not like you. Me not like you. Me come like Wi-Fi.
You know like me?
No.
So are the boy you're interested in that?
They not who me feel interested in.
After the boy that the
Me
man
love that the man they gone to bed.
you know see woman a green card.
All when time she have a green card.
What you have?
What me have? Me I'm life.
You're in
Him
life.
can't go nowhere.
You can't go now.
Anyway, if you want 6 foot
I
six,
saw me
next.
see them walk down. Da-da-ding, do-do-doom.
So what you want to tell me? Say, what you want to show me?
They're in
What you
love.
want to show me?
They're in love for life.
In love.
Yeah.
In love.
If you did a cook,
Just tell me what you have for your mind. Just tell me what you have for your mind. Let me hear what you have for your mind.
you want your
Just tell me all what you have for your mind because I something you want to come within, I something you want to come about, you know. Just tell me,
More are you?
all nigga, tell me what you have for your mind.
More are you?
Tell me what you have for your mind.
More are you?
What who?
More are you? I mean, yeah, so we can take
You know, in my class, you know, in my style. You know, in my style. Come for your boot. Keep me, kill me.
So,
You know in my class.
that's why
You know in my world. Cause look here, let me show you something. First to begin, not even have no one for your resemblance. You wear you ugly. Come by your foot them out them bend up and favor them look up. The old piece of all iron will come like you haul out I see bottom.
Hello, stuffed turkey. Only when time we know you is when time of Thanksgiving. You hear? Stuffed turkey. Man, who you talk to me, you know?
Me ever come here, come beg you nothing dirty boy.
You can't come there. You thank
Me
God.
ever come here, come tell us to go over by your bed.
Listen, me check me
I one time a man put me on 20 times, me say, me ever come here, come tell us to go over by your bed.
You
Me don't want to sleep in your bed, you know, cause your bed full of all.
Listen what me I say, stuffed
I don't even
turkey.
know.
You see, next November where I come, the November where I come, check me with a Thanksgiving. We don't need it now. We don't need it now. Check me with a Thanksgiving.
With a Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
Where you have to give it? Where you have to give it? Where you have to give it?
You don't understand it. You don't understand.
At least me can go by your table. What you want to do? At least me can go by your table. There's stuff
We don't
me can
live
go by your
foreign
table.
people alone eat stuff.
Slice me small
Me used to me chicken back.
and
I
have
will
a
eat my chicken
bite.
back.
Slice me small and have a bite.
I will eat my chicken back. That's what I
Slice me
can
small and
afford. That's
have
what
a
the
bite,
government
oh boy.
everything
Why we
afford.
are go crosses?
Yes, thanks.
Oh, crosses.
Thanks, see burger.
So me all walk at about me too. I must see two. Me see them two
How
crosses
many
there.
when I go?
Oh, so wait there. Yo, dirty mix up boy the wrong.
Where they do you so?
Yo, mix up boy the wrong.
Where you trail with her?
So, I really true. So I pay a burger on the yam. I went time there for you, yeah, they feed me palm till mackerel. All crosses.
Woman a feed me pan burger. She
I
have
till
green
mackerel
card.
you usually feed me pan. And me usually yam. So wait there. How you mean if you take up girl with a yam burger?
Ah, what? Is that
How you mean if you take up
Me
girl
not
with a
stop
yam
using.
burger? What you a look for me for?
You a fear,
What
yeah.
you a look for me for?
Eye.
Come run up in a me.
No, I know for me eye.
Hey girl, me say come run up in a me. You think I know more lick off your face?
You know,
You think I know more lick off your face? Maga,
So
get your
I can't do
maga
that.
like a chicken. Hey girl, you think I know more lick off your face?
So take time chat to woman, man.
Take time chat to her.
She come to appear person.
Hey, let me tell you something, my girl. I last night Timmy up in my bed.
I like you a tell.
I last night Timmy up in my bed.
Clout him a look.
I something
Clout
she
she
a look because
I tell me all miss all of this.
I tell cause Timmy no left.
Me say last night Timmy up in my bed. Make him tell you which way him they set me to.
Clout shop.
And him say you not set so.
Yo, go on.
Him say you not have the
I
comfort.
something you a look.
Him say you not even have the
Something you
comfort,
want
my
to
girl.
I something you a look.
Him want a comfortable thing to lie down upon him, so him check me. Him say you joke him all about.
You a eat. I who they in bed.
Him say you joke him all about. You see how I'm said so, my friend?
In bed.
Yeah, listen to him, babe.
Him ball.
She have green
Him
card.
say my figure take me back. So I don't know where you are
She
gonna
have,
do.
she have green card.
You still will lose your position, my girl.
Hit more ask, she have green card. She can buy burger. Yo, come go on about the business to and top follow me up too. Go on.
Me I follow you up to me.
Go on about the business.
See me I follow you up.
My girl go on.
Call back. Blood clots. What? Come about. What? Blood clot. Turn up. Let's forget, boy. Go on. Call back my phone. Crosses.
Oh God, I'm tired. How do you wanna go? Hello, are you know allow me to try find you?
Where you find me for?
What's it creamy, what one? Yeah man, yeah, they are talk to the Empress. Yeah, me I say no. Yeah, you want me I say no?
Yes, me I listen.
Your brother, your sister, I'm sorry. Your sister. Why don't know people, man?
You can't ask me that if you did see her. Why you not ask her that? You can't ask me that. How me if you know that?
Where you go by the way?
No, me this time I go and one shop. Come and buy the little Doritos here, and then don't got no big tropical already. My little one, I just call the same money for little one that they have a big one. So me just I go get the big one and done.
Oh, okay. Because me just passed him that lane not too long enough.
How?
A boy put out in woman. Right?
Hey, Jody.
Yes!
I'll get rid of her. She can't come out of my house and stop near me down.
Me tell her, say, I feel like your sister bad smart, you know.
A fair business that as me tell her say she a big woman. I cannot stop her. She's not so little anymore. He reach 18. So
Anyway,
finally.
I don't business come here looking girl and the girl don't want me fool. You know if me's a good man.
Me not really know about that one, but okay.
You mean by not really? Why everybody always a judge me wrong?
Nobody not judge you, not a soul not judge you. And you paint this your picture for yourself, not a soul not judge you.
I bet you one day you want me.
Me don't want yak. You're crazy.
Yeah, yak?
Yak.
Wait, the yak soon change. Don't worry your head.
Yeah, you're not changing.
Later, me not business with you anymore.
Yeah, me neither.
Be I smile, sir. Me make you happy on the phone.
Now you may talk to bills.
Oh, true, me say just a smile, so brother. No want to smile with nobody else, you know, if I know me, you know.
No, sir, how you made it, so talk to me now.
So I do, what happened?
Nothing. You know, say I don't hear road, me want go do my soon come.
Where you go? Which part of the road?
Me go buy a burger and come back, you want?
Oh, you go buy a burger for me?
Yeah.
Alright, buy one chicken, American chicken sandwich. More extra cheese pan it.
Alright.
Yeah, do it fast and come back. One for the come with the way pan you.
That's why I'm man, me soon come.
Alright. That's why I'm for love, you know, baby.
Alright, me soon come here.
Alright.
Clemens! Backside. Alright, time to walk out, you know, man. Go on, you know, like, you don't give me contract.
Mama, tell her, say, I want Timmy badness, so Timmy alone, me want. What happened?
Mama, Timmy can do this. Timmy have US. Timmy have US.
So, my friend. They get what?
Yeah, your friend, no, not sure. Yeah, your friend. You see, that's how I know, you know, money control woman still, you know. As woman see money, they front jump. But anyway,
So
if you want too tight, follow me.
2 years.
Just follow me, man. No ask, man. When you ask, you know, get
Make
it.
sure I say me get in.
No worry, man. Just follow me, man. Everything nice. How much you want? That one, yeah, me I tell you the truth. Whew. I'm tired. I thought to be badness out down there. A good thing you put out the fluffy, you know, man. Watch out.
You would love to hear the excuse behind this one. Where you come from,
Yes.
with this here?
You know, said, well, he beg me fix up my fire.
Yeah. It's true. Oh, gosh.
All with US in your hand.
No, he pay
100.
me fix up my fire. Because you don't really understand about it. He pay me fix.
And you're expert.
Yeah, man. She expert. She bad. Hey, me say she bad with it. Oh, yeah, man. She bad, man.
She beg me, I saw me beg me.
No like how you do it, man. She bad, man. No lie. Yeah.
And get 200 US. And my nephew do work 3-day work for him. And not even 10,000 in can give him.
Because of yard work you never do.
Oh, so what kind of work you do?
No, but I think about that.
You bad.
You know, understand something up in here. So
I don't understand the work.
Huh?
I don't understand the work, so you have to teach him the work.
I know. That's something you don't understand from your phone. And
Right.
$200.
So I just came out there to fix it on my phone. Because I see not on my phone. So you
I
must
sweat,
know.
so. What a way your phone make you work, so you sweat.
How me sweat?
sister like him. So, hold this, buy something for
What's it? Yeah, like, yeah,
something
you see it?
for man.
15,000. A good sister-in-law, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I shut up money this. Well, this will
Well,
cut. Go on now.
me no know. I just buy something for drink, man.
Hey.
As a good sister-in-law.
For drink, me have to eat something too, you know.
Why?
Me have to eat something to come. Me know what kind of
Alright.
work.
I
Yeah,
lost
they're
$100,
probably
but me I go give
experts.
still. Me I go give.
This is
Alright,
that.
this is a fish shut up. If you eye on your ear.
They've got now me love you, you know. That's why me love you as my sister-in-law, you know.
Alright. Me I put on ya.
Alright, later.
Aye.
What? Hey, come here. You don't feel like say. You want give me one of them money there. How you laugh? Huh?
Me walk feet, you walk feet.
You know, eh?
You walk feet. You walk my sister-in-law, make she get it. My kind sister-in-law
No,
that
she's...
love me.
No. Listen, man. Remember, say she don't want me from day one. I just fix something on my phone.
The 200 US.
There's nothing wrong if you give somebody 200 US.
Okay.
I jump change.
And you come out in a sweat. What a way your phone work.
No, me there.
You walk on your phone.
No,
make you
somebody said exercise, you know.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Me know the exercise, yeah, though.
You know, Beanie Man come past this and shake your foot and say, ding, 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 ding. Yeah. One of them style me did there.
So,
you know?
hold on, as we are taught there. That the style did I go on? Okay. So you not feel say like me hungry and thirsty. Me smoke too, you know. And me need a little smoke. My sister-in-law look after me. And two people walk me, yeah, you know, me never remember if me see, but me kind of have little memory still. Me kind of
No, we not there, yeah. Me kind of high off like weed, you know. Shit. That.
Me I'll need grabber too. Me need grabber and a high class. No. You see when me smoke and me eat and me drink, me nah have no memory. Have a good day.
Oh God, when me call her back for man. Sure. What?
Nothing.
You look so.
The third man for walk off of that the hill dick for come so.
So where you come from?
My yard.
From my yard?
No. My man did the home. Me could make a sign me take so long for reach.
So you have your man the home, do you know, miss?
No, him did the home. He did pick up on the road, but he take long for left the house. So. That's why me did have to wait gone for come with you.
Oh, so everything good? You couldn't come look sooner?
No.
I like that. You look pretty today, though.
Thank you.
How may I do today?
Jesus Christ.
How you know him?
Hey! Good as gone wild.
You know him?
Girl, why your problem?
Why? What story give me come in a liar? What story give me come in a liar?
I ex baby mother.
Oh.
Green card.
So you and him in a problem? Yeah, but see, this girl, you know, you're making come on road and I load up your mouth.
No, she come as a load up her mouth so far.
Miss, you know, see me have one conversation.
She can't see I'm blind.
You can't go about your business.
Who is you?
She can't see I'm blind.
Who is you? You black like a them bun up pat. Who is talking to you?
My girl, see I'm blind and here and deaf. Go on.
Hey! Whoa!
Can me no know you come as a con stop final. Me no know you come as a con stop final. See I'm blind here and deaf. This is enough for your business.
See I'm blind here and deaf. This is one you can't pass. And really you then put me out for?
So you know see.
You
just come to realization.
And then see you don't know good as the good bitch.
You just come to realization.
The good bitch up here so with
this.
I don't even know what it called that.
That.
Mama, you know, say, me no know your business, but me saw them put you out.
You up here so with Tumblebug.
Yeah, he man put him out.
Me saw
and you
them
the
put
piece
you
of
out.
shit with my roll.
You can't go where you go now.
You just realize.
You can't go where you go. You see me there, saw how one conversation, you just come with your loud noise.
She just come and make up one bag of noise.
Nobody with me.
Me no want bother. That's why me I tell you to go on.
Nobody with me.
Me no want.
Miss Lady, go on.
Yap.
Go on. Miss Lady, go on. See I'm blind here and if go on.
But the girl I don't know say me just pop off her head up here.
Girl, me say fi go on.
Hey girl, who y'all deal with?
No man, you can't that.
Come out of this. Humble go roll shit.
Sorry.
Straight down here go. Because if you feel to say I get what you do, you And you make my man put me out. You just go on. You hear me I tell you? Just go on, tumblebug. Oh, where I go?
No, me yard.
What? Lad. You?
My girl, let go out of me here, no?
You look a bitch. Tell me now.
Let go
Tell me
out of
now
me here,
who
man.
this.
Where
Tell me now about it, Timmy, who this.
Let go me woman.
Timmy.
I said the girl see me on the road, I go buy burger and stop me.
Let go me woman.
Say believe her.
Then no must.
Say believe her.
Yeah. Let go.
Say Timmy.
Let go.
You really believe her over me.
Where
Say
they
the girl believe her lost the money when me have to go buy
Where they do
burger a
that?
while ago. Timmy, me say me go catch him up the road with man.
I think you can't tell me
Me a
that.
come from up the road, me see who down.
Say the girl
that man. Timmy, if you ever see what this I get born with.
My girl, let go out of me here.
If you see, Timmy.
Yo, you think you gonna tell me
Me
nothing
say.
believe you? You can't
Timmy.
tell me nothing me believe you.
Timmy,
Come on.
don't think wish you wash about it, Timmy.
Me
Me say me up the road, me.
Wish
I
you
go buy burger for me and you. And this girl stop me on the road.
My girl, stop and tell lie.
My girl,
Stop
stop
tell lie.
You
lie.
want a woman face.
My girl, stop tell lie, Pam.
Why do?
Me dey on the road, I walk go buy the burger. Remember tell you say me I go buy a burger?
Yeah.
Me dey on the road, I go buy. This girl come stop me, just grab me in my hair and haul me.
A
come
girl,
down,
you
so.
encourage your fair
Me I
lifestyle.
lost the money on the road.
Encourage you.
Give me the outcome of a box again now
Oh,
face to you.
oh, man.
Put the box down the girl
Girl,
there.
you live in here in a one.
Me just see her up the road. I come holler by here. Four.
Yo,
I that me want to know what you have for me.
Don't be nasty, cranny body girl. Tell me where you up the road I go.
They in here so go on outside.
you
Where
coulda-
you dey in your
make
saddle?
it harder for we.
Nasty body girl.
They say
Yo, go on.
Slim as breast girl.
Go on about
Hey, give me where you up the road I go. With
I was on my way to Burger King when you stop me and grab me in my ear hall me come down.
You
So
say-
for what
you know-
reason? Allow me
Man,
to
man,
tell you
man.
what reason.
You know say me shoulda put up on. Me shoulda take a picture and put up on camera right now, girl.
You know
Cause
how
you
they
have
do.
a liar.
You have proof?
Timmy, you
Show
girl.
me proof what you have. You have proof.
Timmy, I'm one man I get that.
Here, say can't go and courthouse.
I grudge girl grudge me through your running
You
motor
see?
You think
I
say you say can't go
I
and
have
courthouse?
come back, come beg me. I beg.
You not come back there.
I beg say I come back, come
You
far.
not come back
You
there.
gonna lose.
See me, I beg say I come back, come
You're
back.
gonna
Yeah,
lose
yeah,
cause
yeah,
you
yeah.
now come
I'm
back.
run you like
You should
drunk
have done
cross.
the
You know,
Hey, girl.
you know,
Boy, go fuck
You
some
got
by
to
yourself.
touch me.
You dash out like down a hospital, girl.
My girl, see door there.
You
See
have
door.
no ambition.
What?
See door there. You should
You
live
dash out.
What?
Hey, girl. Boy, your green card. I must see green card that.
You know worry about that. You don't worry about that. You
Everywhere
don't
you
worry
go,
about your grudge.
everywhere
Don't worry
you
about that.
You see, hey,
Do not worry about
everywhere
that.
you go, you pick up my.
You're not shame.
You see you come like a
look
board
so
house.
shame.
You come like a board house. You're full of man.
Yo.
You have shame.
You're full of man like you know them like board
Oh,
house.
girl, go on. Go on.
You dirty like, you dirty face.
Earth.
You
Go
see
on.
what you
See
mean?
door there.
I shit you for shit in your
You
face.
still have a doing that
What
yourself.
me I said?
You see you.
You still have a
Go on.
doing that.
Go on,
My girl, go on.
It was a curl on the line.
You know worry
It was
about
a
that.
curl on the
You
line.
me.
Like,
You never know what's going on. It's up and down. You never know what's going on. My girl, go on.
Yo.
Don't full of germs like dirty one.
You don't worry about that.
You
Go on.
You
You do not worry about that. Go on.
You're right.
You're grudge, boy.
You're
I say,
I be a burger, me man.
be a burger.
Look for him, but you know what? Be the much burger in them. Go on.
The new one I take care of me dirty TV.
Woman.
Look, I'm a good dirty boy. When you see this, you're full of anxiety like a dog. Go ahead.
Yo, come on. No
Where?
man no like that. You know. Yo, no man no like that. You know. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it now. Watch it now. Watch it now. You know shame.
Shame, look on her good. You look like shame.
Hey, yo,
Watch me,
My girl, Earth.
Now listen to her, B. And so she still, she kind of mad in her head.
Just see me up the road, you know, be a walk on the road, you know.
Hey,
I come grab me all in me here and I haul me, I come down here, so.
so you never get for buy a burger?
Me lost the money, girl, make me lost the money on the road.
So you couldn't escape from him, be a million, you don't wait for
I
the
know me
burger.
here, girl, grab me.
So you make him grab you for?
I can't tell you.
So
I
you
don't
make him
know.
grab you? No, you can grab you and me can't get my burger.
You don't have no money for your card.
No worry about that. By later tomorrow, me try see if I can get it.
So you don't have no money for your card.
I know, so me have money for my card though. Later
Alright,
me go back.
look come on.
Alright.
Can't believe.
Hey, brother. You me come look for. Hello.
Long time I not see you.
Why? How you do?
Yeah, man, you good?
And you me come check. Me do a little piece of work and mash up a piece of work. And a $400 me get. So me say me come check you, my brother, and share it with you. So hold on to that, yeah?
Come like Christmas come. By Christmas already.
Nobody spend it off at once. Save it. Hold it for a rainy day.
Yeah, man.
So
I tell me to save it.
You're gonna find out, man. You're gonna find out. You're gonna find out. Just hold that, cause the day gonna come when you're gonna need it.
So what? No understand, sis. Explain to me.
No, man. We just come for give my brother strength, and and the day gonna come when you're gonna need it.
So why worry when I can pray?
Hey, at that. But you no need for worry, cause I'm in a good mood.
What do my sister today?
I'm in a good mood. Me coming like the tree monkey them. See no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil.
Something I want us is what?
No, man, all I go on is me
What
say.
you mean something I go and share, right?
Aye. Not spend it off though. You're gonna need it.
Not gonna need it.
Yeah,
No,
man.
understand.
Alright. We gone. You don't know how me turn already. Alright. Blessed
Later.
love, brother. Later.
See, alright, man.
Oh, make sure.
Oh God, Tibi.
Go on.
What you do, man? What you do?
So you last come in and I should have push up it.
My
You're
God.
lucky.
Long time I not come over here, you know. So we're such girly. You gonna work?
No, so I'm not sure though.
Oh.
Don't
So
show
what
me.
now?
There, man, I go on easy, but I'm glad you come over still, cause long time I not see you. The last time I see you, I see you up the road.
Yeah, true. Me did glad me come over too.
I'm like, how you stop sending me gift and thing, you know?
See, you don't understand, I don't really that. Me can't tell a gift and you have one woman. How me a benefit? You benefit from the gift, then me not benefit.
But that not say true me have a woman, I'm tear.
But me not benefit from the gift. Yeah, benefiting because you get money. Me not get no. Why?
How that day?
What do you mean say who that?
Think a green card. Where you do ya?
I wonder if me see right.
Where they do ya?
I wonder if me seeing right.
I know she wash her face because I should
But I want this.
You know, you don't go see my you know, see nothing
What
right
is
now.
it?
You know, see nothing.
So wait, they what green card they?
Where they worry about green card for?
You know, she see a new woman in the bed.
Whatcha?
Look here.
Where they do a me yard? Whatcha?
Look here.
So wait there. Oh. So green card gone, so you take over?
You're blind.
A new woman this, you know?
You're blind.
You're blind?
A new woman this.
You're blind?
Oh, wait.
Jimmy.
So we are trying
Anyway, girl. What?
Come on, if I not qualify, me not qualify for the man.
I just come for the rest of my things then.
Take them and go on.
The rest of my things then I come for me. No business with you.
Oh, me forgot to burn them up.
Yeah, are they made that bun right there?
Yeah. Yes, you tell me for burn.
Good
But
thing.
how are this little dirty maga dry up body nasty crank up by? Where you come from? What?
Yo,
what you say you do?
take time, talk to me, woman. Take time.
Wait.
What's that?
What a girl really say she do? No, come in front of me. Stand up to me.
We are look for.
Me I look for something for you that I'ma stab you in your neck. I'm licking in your
We
face.
see that's liquor in our
Your
face,
friend.
you know.
What the
Take your big self, come on.
Try that. Try that if your name or your name. Try that. Touch this.
Girl, how you feel like it? Hey, girl.
Yes.
So I'm feed over.
What is this?
You?
What, Miss ex-sister-in-law?
What is that?
When I see Alamata, make you bad want them.
I wonder what she a try. What she a try?
But sister-in-law,
Chat, my girl.
What she a try
said
prove?
me people could fight, but you're big for nothing. You met the little...
What a try prove?
Don't do it again, eh?
No. What? What? No! What? Sister, no!
Me never realized.
I never know sense of TB did whore.
You hear? Out of TV house, me go take that, you know. No, you should have stand up. Hey, girl, you should have stand up. I said no beat, you don't get it. Hey, girl, you saw my back broad, girl, you should have stand up.
No, ex-sister-in-law quite knit down. But me did think big people could have fight.
She come talk about TB. Me only woman for TB. The one and only one. No more if I know me, nobody else.
Well, you better rename yourself. You better rename
One
yourself.
and only woman.
Alexa. Lord God.
Oh, what this Jesus?
Fight, I go there.
Help me, Jesus.
Fight,
No.
really, I go there.
Help me, God. What is this?
You know how long me a try this?
How you fall from?
Me no know Grace. Grace.
Me just see a one girl over the whole neighborhood by your shoulder a while ago. And I run. So come meet them. Come on, see the excitement. What go on do so?
Lord, if you not busy, come here.
What happened?
How are this man here?
You say something like
Yeah, man, yeah, woman.
Huh?
I wash
Yeah,
a
man, yeah,
woman.
woman.
What you call me?
Wash a woman. You chat worse than wash a woman.
I can't believe it. So what happened?
Please.
What me miss? You see how me did they look you?
Call up the neighborhood now. Call them out. People. Call them out.
You know see. Every one of your brother them woman nah have no use. This is one that me not get tired, you know. But me I look and she don't want me.
So take the hint, she no want you, nobody no want you around you, we not even want you to turn up your some man. Go about your business, you come like any old ticks.
I'm $200 US, me still want back, you know. Me 200.
I want to go there so now.
You can't.
Me think I'm the only one in a mix up. I want to go there so now. Sister Ella, I want to go there so now.
I think when she come back, sister-in-law.
Go on about your
Me
business, man.
always to be woman, so me always sister Ella.
You're hex.
I when him put me out, I when him beat me, I when him wife him for time ago, and him have 100 woman, and me are the one and only woman. If 100 he have, me we make 101.
You think a domination this? You think a 101 domination this?
Well, it a go big. I look like I say, we are 101 Dalmatian.
See Alexia. See the lane there. Go on about your business, man.
How me no know where I'm China? I don't know where I'm sir. Him just always. Me no know if him have some what you call that sitting like?
Oh.
Me no know if he have some satellite. I walk with.
I mean, your other sister.
Him pick up station like a cable.
And you take care of that 200 from him. One back at least 100 out of it.
Take. No borrow. Take. Oh.
How when me I hear ya?
How we are faster?
When me
Oh, you can talk about fast. Backside me, mama.
when me I hear ya?
Pot and kettle this year. And the all wear the black too.
When me I hear ya? Why? Mix up. Me punani
What do you?
Lord Jesus Christ.
You know,
But everywhere you come, you bring crosses, man.
how me bring classes? Me always a tell you, say, anywhere me go, I say me bring crosses, and the crosses jar me there. You never know that.
Listen to me.
You
You no get,
fairies-
hey! Get straight to the man and that. Make me hear what go on. Me want to hear.
What?
Me hear some parable and me still can't pick the sense out of the nonsense. So me want to hear what go
She
on.
be green card again born, and she not no green card like she did tell her along. Eh? She again born with me. She again born with
With you?
Yeah, with one guy named Davy. Yeah.
So wait. Come, I know me.
And yeah, man, no, you can't talk. You can't talk now.
So wait.
So who else
money
have you
all
gone
about?
to?
Where money all about?
She know about one part time with me because she collect money off of me and collect money off of she.
I would. What? I know Timmy will take me back. I know Timmy will take me back. Alexa,
oh, chichi tiki oh,
oh,
megano,
story figure Timmy oh,
chichi tiki oh.
I you know say you go down there with me.
You want to know the rest?
You go down there with me, no, cause you witnessing your wickedness in a hit, you know.
Who the last
You
time
are the wickedness in a hit.
You dash things off of me. I know that net about. You hear the worst part right now?
What?
When I get to find out this morning, me and Mikey are so. Say, Tibi called me and they with a woman where you live with them now. Jody.
Matter with it. Green card. We go like she has
No,
that.
she not unknown. She never fly.
And she more than me.
No, she never fly on plane before.
But so where the ratty judge
Burger the way see my buy a and they look for sex. They went get the man collect.
What is
And
not
hit him and use with
this?
your brother. So you need to go down there, go talk to your brother. You need to go in your yard, go pray.
Me done with
Go
that
pray.
there.
Yeah,
Go pray.
Yeah.
Go pray.
Call me. Where girl when you need the cap on his shoulder?
That them licky man gone.
Beat her.
Licky man gone.
Look at sister like.
Oh God.
Don't make me have no cat.
They never see you throw one punch.
Sister, that fat like for me. Don't
They never
like
see
for me.
you
Which
throw
girl can
one
beat me?
punch.
Which girl can beat me?
Mrs. Spaghetti.
You say which girl boy you can beat me?
Spaghetti.
No girl boy you can beat me.
Sister-in-law.
Don't touch
Calm
me.
down,
Don't touch
man.
me. Don't touch
Just
me.
because
Because
the
you lie.
spaghetti
You
bolognese you.
wicked. You're
Oh
wicked
God,
now.
man. Spaghetti
You're wicked
bolognese
now.
you, man. Oh God.
You know, say that's why I go tell Tibi pa you.
Tell Tibi
I tell
what?
Tibi all of the things the way you go with no car. You see?
What Tibi
For a long time, me I notice you know, and I try figure it out. You know, you notice say you're a dirty sister, la. You.
Hello.
And you see one tell Tibi to
friend.
put me out and
My
left me.
friend.
Hey.
My friend.
Hey. Siri. Me did that too. I mean, know
friend.
the truth, Miss Siri.
Are you telling to do it because you play that come go like I say you're
My
good.
friend.
You're a good thing.
Not talk to this, you know. Is a big somebody beat him?
Spaghetti.
Listen up, hey, listen to me.
Spaghetti
Listen to me.
bolognese.
Me
I gotta tell it the
no
truth,
girl
man.
no
Me
beat me,
know
no
her
girl
true
can't beat me. No
feelings.
girl can't beat me.
Oh, listen.
Wait,
friend.
wait. Me not hold that.
No, hold
me
it,
not
no,
hold
no,
that.
She
no.
carried the little girl
me
on
not
her
hold
shoulder
that.
like
Listen
say
to it.
carry
Do
the
that.
man. And when she put the little spaghetti tin down, me said the spaghetti turn helicopter, turn windmill, and start drop some
She lie.
Me think the big people could have fight.
Listen to
she
me
big
now.
for
Go
nothing.
hold that.
That a-
Wipe your ass with that.
She big
But
for
say,
nothing.
They did.
that woman here lie. She lie.
Go talk to your brother.
Go bury your little dead with the last time I check that dead. But what?
Siri gone. Brother.
Yeah, I want sister.
Oi, one piece of judgment.
With what? I with who?
Aye, me catch my foot. Your ex never come here a little while. You did there?
Yeah,
And she pick up your spaghetti.
yeah.
Hey!
Oh,
Me
what?
I go down the road and a she pan her shoulder, you know? Like Hulk. I carry this spaghetti girl.
I see him, so she take her out of my house. On her shoulder.
Right. But brother, me did always think say the bigger them is, them can fight. You she not no use.
Oh, I go and remember me never tell. Give me a jam.
All right, we walk down the road
and we see each other. And she carry her upon her shoulder, she put her down. Me say, you see, as soon as she put down the spaghetti, that turn your ex in a bolognese. The little girl start turn helicopter, windmill, I saw the hand and foot ago.
That's what she was.
As much as we like you guys. But boy, you want to hear her ball and a scream and a run and a ball for murder.
Them alright. I think me I put them over my green card.
Hey! Me have something to tell you about Miss Green Card. Although me enough me to tell you still.
I don't know about
You put me out when you put out the big thickers, eh? And me and your sister. But true, me love you. Green Card is a liar. She's a whole liar. She not know green card.
Who tell her that? My woman on a green card.
You see it?
Me not see it.
She not know green card. And better than that.
She tell me though.
A promise is a comfort to a fool.
Me be a fool. Want be a fool.
You're the real fool.
Yeah.
She'll give you bun, cheese and patty. All cheese patty you get.
So me not get it.
She there with Popeye. She there with Davy. And you know the worst part of it? Your worstest part of it? You know we cousin named Marcus, the black, ugly, thick, dirty, jankro gorilla. All that she take up.
You know say to mix up for your big woman though. Where you come and spread them the rumors upon my woman for?
And you me a try help.
Help me and I spread them the rumors.
Your name think out a road. You are Miss Green Card. Miss what? Alexa. Name stink out a road. And I save me, I try save you.
You think me I go believe you? Me not believe that. True, you want me go back to me take cause me can come tell me this. Yo, you didn't even should have there so a fool up me would be a shaggy.
You know, sir. She's the best one me see you there with all these years
How
still.
you know say best? You can't choose me. Me ever choose
can't
you?
choose for you. But she have a mouth pan her, yes. But she have a vibe still. And you know, sister, she love you, man. How much woman, plenty woman you give on to. And she's the only one me see. Come carry spaghetti on bolognese. But she love you, man.
How you know that?
Which other woman are gonna do that?
My green
Me
card-
not
my
fight
green
over
card.
no man.
My green card do that.
Where she there now?
Where you want where you want with that for?
She there with Popeye, or she there with Davy, or she there with Marcus, or she there with all three in a one.
You see good, put on a glass. Come like something wrong with your eye.
This time me I go sing I Told You So. You have to think about take back your thick girl. She fight for you. She love you. I mean, know she cook for you and everything, you know. I mean, not Tanya.
So my green card no buy my burger and do everything.
Buy your burger, man. Money she use.
The whole that
You, for your juice, I mix up pan Davy juice. I mix up pan Popeye juice. I'll mix up pan with cousin juice too. Time today, you mix up, man.
Next time you put on the glasses before you come here.
No, sir, you mix up, man. You have mix up juice.
You, Marga, come here. True say what? True say, yeah, gay man, where you moving with bun? Where you get them the story from? But the Erica yellow do stink for the street, say yeah, do yeah, gay man bun with three other man and how you walk at the top about how you green card. Which green card? That green paper you get from embassy?
You know what about for me green card?
Well, me not see where you get no more green paper, nothing or nothing. The green card mean you don't got it. The green paper where you get to me, you don't got it. So stop walk out tell lie. But say,
Where you stop me fi say?
me said already, you know. Me done chat, you know. And the thing is, you must do that, cause you make him man run out in good woman. I know you're there out the road, the gay man bun.
Ah, Jesus.
Lord Jesus, we do.
You see me and nobody else, you see me I give to me the TV bun?
Me don't have to say it, but to what? Bush her eyes, ears, and mouth.
Go and listen to what people are saying.
Me not listen to what nobody else say stink. If it never happen for real, nobody would know. I want me tell you what else me hear too. Me hear say what they are man. I must say mix up one too. I think I hear I come from out of one lane. Somewhere for people up line up there so. And whatsoever.
I saw people can carry news and tell lie on people.
Yes.
I saw people can carry news and tell lie on people.
Yes. Welcome to the world. Besides, I'm glad you move out of stuff, but what you do, you do right. Well, I'm your business. Me divorce you.
Not even know me about that topic to you for I should have known.
Where you come from?
Out the road may I come from?
Out the road. Which part out the road?
Long did I so?
My sister come here about 5 minutes ago. I come tell me say you're there with Papa and you're there with Davy and you're there with one of my cousin them. How that? Explain that to me, because I don't understand.
You don't know say I lie that already?
Lie what? My sister not tell them the lie there.
I would as all your baby mother carry news for me, yeah.
You know, say me feel so. I feel so. And them a chat about you and a green card. How they lie so?
And you come accuse me so.
I say. Yo, you know, like when, that's not like certain people, you know, you call them a try to mash up a relationship and a green card. So, you have a green card for real?
Yeah, me have it for real.
Oh. Yeah, you have your bank card for you?
Everything when me tell you I have.
Oh, because mother name one burger, you know?
Right now?
Right now.
Alright, you get it for you.
Can I get it for me? Hurry up and make sure nobody no chat to you up on the road. No want no man I look for you and up for you.
Don't worry about that, man. This won't come here.
Alright, and you know like that way all the way go up on the road to man. Make it be first and the last.
So what happened to me clothes?
Me not like, bro, people are gonna look for you when they wear that go up on the road.
Me soon come back, don't worry.
Make sure you hold on your head so like you look for money or gun. No hold up your head. Alright, go on.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus. One know what you gonna say to me now?
Yeah, the cuz.
D.
Yeah.
How me just a while ago?
No.
What you mean nothing? When I do in the bush, where I come from over there, so? How I go on?
Explain. Like, she afraid to explain.
Where's TV? What's going on here?
I want to try to.
She I said she been and spin.
Hey.
She all like burger them go spin for you.
Good as green card.
She a spin you know.
What's going on here?
And she not a green card either. I can supermarket give me one card and I give her. She thinks she a green card but not a green card. You understand?
You really
Don't come to about no beef. Stay over there, sir.
You really hear that?
So I give her look at chup side, you know get it. But she alright with it.
Go over there, so be your green card.
What you?
Out of all of the man
Because
them.
we think she about the chang.
Out of all of the man. Out of all of the man them.
I don't want a long
I want you because you got to take up. How you just reach us so? Out of all of the man
All this
them.
summer I get to. Me.
Me no want hear nothing from you, no. Shut your mouth. Me say, green card.
That you want to have it.
Out of all of the man them. See how my man a call me. See how my man a call me. Out of all of the man them.
Because they link up, man. Where you say, daddy?
I man family you got to take up.
Yeah, good, man.
You're rubbish.
No, to me, it didn't want to go
My
pepper.
girl go on.
Yo, because they link up, yeah?
You
No,
know.
watch your face, man. I feel your property. Now watch your face.
So I say you walk this girl.
Yes. What listen
Who you call
nasty.
please?
Me not talk
What
about
listen
you lay down with me,
nasty.
you know. But you gonna lay down with the man? Cause
Lord.
me and you know.
Papa Jesus, if you don't busy, go visit me. This one I need justice.
Me alone couldn't
Baby.
satisfy you.
No.
I a green card this.
They can't satisfy nobody.
Which green card? She don't have a green card. I the card up at embassy then. You know the green something.
Tibi.
Come see it. Me see it. And she
Lord.
me go in her purse. Go see it.
You're
I walk
fast.
up and I try to fool me. Like
Jimmy.
something go to embassy. Me go to embassy, you know.
I a green card this. What you put me out for? Tibby.
Oh God.
From the day, Tibby, don't touch me.
Oh,
From the day
God.
me and you there, Tibby. You ever have a man problem with me?
No. No.
You have a man problem with me?
Jody, what me just say a while ago?
Me no know them. Me
blind?
no know them at all about me.
So I really that the man there?
So. Away the cock up.
Man guinea
Away
gag.
the back shot. Little lap. Bush shot.
Man guinea gag.
Why you so careless, girl?
Kelly should do
No pride.
Me not in no
You know
bush.
did me I do nothing.
Me, what about
I must see
Davy?
dog cock up anyway.
What
I'll
about
Davy.
Yeah. In him. How you think all the money I come from to buy burger from we?
David chat to me.
Yeah, hear that, B.
Why?
B. B.
Miss Little Miss.
B. Yeah, hear that.
Me say if you go take him back.
Go on like she good. What you say? What you say?
Yeah,
Tibby?
yeah, hear that.
Me I hear that. Me I hear every word.
Say I take him back.
Me I
Yeah,
take him
take
back.
him back.
Huh?
Me I take him back.
Me ask if I take him back.
So,
I rather take you.
That's right! Take man pan him, man burn
I
him!
rather take
Yeah!
my yard.
mailbox, walking mailbox.
I never green card me have.
No. I the green plate. My God, yeah.
Walking mailbox. I'm me.
Later,
You me
yeah.
say? You want me?
Huh?
You want me?
Long time.
Long time, baby.
Yeah, man.
Come on, yeah, time. What? What?
Jody. My sister, you know you are going.
What?
One piece of mix up. Right now, me even stress out right now, my sister. You know, you really know you are going. Top tail, right? You have to you are going. You was fly fast.
And come bite you now. Eh? The big chat. Where you come to me for? Me a Alexa. No, me a Siri. And you use Alexa.
Sister, really, them had something you tell me.
You're good. You take it well. You take it well.
They couldn't tell me say your sister bad and she a whore.
You love me, have your business, and you could just go take good. Okay. Maybe not your sense, you just ignore it. Let me help you laugh louder.
Hold me. Which one? You are Siri and me a Alexa, not true?
Right. Because I did I tell you, I did I give you a sign. When you ever see somebody so eager to kick out them sister out the house?
So why not laugh off of me now?
Because you're yes, sir, they don't listen.
How do you speak me a film, my brother?
I'm sure no say I did one good woman they have.
Yes,
And
yes.
they kick him out and take up one half of
She
somebody.
fight, she literally fight for him. She fight and lose, but she fight for him same way.
Right, which is only what matters.
Brother, I don't care cheer me up and that. Me can't, bro, me don't even know officer right now, cause your sister a big war, I me never know that. I know she, watch out for my sister, she.
A violin me I play for you, brother. Me I play the violin for you.
A normal pray, man.
Check
I reach
it.
me one day must reach on it.
Right?
That me have to tell you now.
You had a good woman. Me talk to you. She talk to you. Everybody talk to you. You know how much money me used to make off that green card? You know how much money? All the money me bring carry share with you. I mean I sing song.
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
A green card.
So them something that that one sister, you know, tell me.
When me come up for try tell you, you know tell me for don't wear your glasses when you come up on me yard again. Don't wear them the glasses cause you need to see better cause you howl.
Can't believe sister say really that a go on. You should have did listen to you know.
That's the best thing we hear you say.
Should have did listen, brother.
You should have stay with Tickers, man. She miserable bad, but she love you.
And see because they reject me there, I know I'm going with Popeye.
You know, sir, real reject that. Because if she not take you and she got to that the dry foot Popeye, hey, I really insult that, brother.
Yo, right now, I'll go up on the road, say I can't find somebody new or something in my
Oh
life.
God, hush. A bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. When a man too damn greedy. When you have a good woman, you don't know what to do with her.
Right, sister, I'm going to marry you. You go your way.
All right, well, good.